Mike. What is up, guys? Ooh! Hey fellow traders, how's it going this afternoon? Hope all of you had a great weekend, guys. Great to see you all back again here tonight. Dane Zon, Sean Hazel, 44x Punisher, Wiz No Fear the #1, Mark P, Point Pablo, Justin Rod in the house. Yo, what up, man? Born to Win, Trader 007 in the house, 70, Firstborn, everybody bows their trades, T-Zill, what up, man? Bib, woo, a lot of names here, guys. 7 Warm Man, Kobob, what up, Kobob? How's it going? Yeah, let's try to make some money. Okay, Suleiman in the house, Universal, what up? Oh, Money Mitch, Jamel, Akira, T-Bow, Logic, what is up, Logic? Bang Ding, what is going on? Zunio Castillo, Steel Mine Capital. I'm doing okay, guys. I had a good weekend. I'm not gonna complain about my weekend. You know, I had a nice and relaxing weekend, and I'm getting stoked now to start a great week here again, guys. I wonder where, honestly, I'm not too convinced that we just rip through these levels now and keep going here to the upside, right? We may try to overshoot a little bit to the I guess to the upside, and then maybe push it down again. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm just not sure, because guess what, guys? Tomorrow is the first real week of real volume kind of stepping in, right? So we had a really light volume in the last couple, obviously, days, and I think it's that time of the week where I think we're gonna start to see some real moves with the real volume and real action here in the next few days. So we'll keep an eye on that. Today I may have to probably just try to be a little soft in my trades. By the way, guys, I loaded an account with Lucid, by the way, but I bought the raw account and I had to reload it again with the Flex account, and I'm gonna try to see if I can actually get a refund on my other ones that I bought. We'll see, guys. A little mistake, but I don't know what the heck I was thinking. But anyways, guys, Leap, what up, man? Kelly Kaufman in the house. L.E. Steel Mine Capital, everybody, welcome back, man. Welcome back, guys. Great to see y'all back again. Sounds painful, yeah, exactly. What's your bias for today? I'm gonna stay kind of neutral, right? I'm not gonna be too bearish. I'm not gonna be too bullish, right? I'm just gonna stay a little neutral and see the price action in the first 5 minutes, okay? Yeah, I may try to scalp maybe right at the start to kind of like test the water, but I don't know. Should we try to go like right off the bat? Should we try to be a little well, not aggressive, but I mean 1 minute contract? Let's try to do that. Maybe we should. The first thing first though, these are Lucid accounts, which I obviously just bought it recently, so I don't think I want to be using these. Let's try something else. All right, we'll try with funding ticks. First, we'll start off the day with funding ticks, and then we'll roll it into the Lucid accounts, because I will be copy trading my Lucid accounts. Yeah, it's just too many accounts now to kind of like to to do it all individually one by one right now, especially coming into the Globex Asia. I don't know if that's a good idea. I don't want to spend too much energy and time trading Globex Asia one by one. So The expectation, of course, like I said again, I've done it neutral. I'm not going to try and be a bullish or bearish here coming into tonight, unless we see some trending directional move here tonight. Until we do that, guys, I'm neutral so far. We'll start the day with the funding ticks accounts. I will try to play funding ticks with 1 mini contract and see how that goes. Short time countdown, exactly. We got 2 more minutes, guys. Whoo, baby. 1.5 more minutes, guys. You are struggling having so many accounts. Oh yeah, Justin, right? I mean, it's not easy, guys. It's not easy to have too many accounts. So I'm gonna have to find some a nice little sweet spot. I'm gonna kind of think about how I'm gonna be managing my accounts down the road. We are still 30 days away for the year to be over, guys. I can't believe we are already coming to an end. It's an incredible journey. It's an incredible journey. And by the way, I thought I lost this funding ticks account. I don't know if you guys were there last week. I thought I lost this account. However, this account was alive. And I had no SL right before the halt. It halted. The market halted. And guess what? I thought I lost the account because it was sitting at 48,000 some $400, and I thought I lost it, right? And then I was like, what is this account still doing here? And then I said, okay, well, let me just try to go in and out of a trade. And I was able to do that, right? And then I ended up trading that account, and I brought it back up to like 50,248. Ooh, I kind of saved 65 bucks, man. 65 bucks. I needed that. All right, guys, we've got 10 more seconds, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading tonight. I hope you all have a great night, guys. Oh, Mochaccino.
Open.
Order filled.
What is up with this price action? Can you guys see that? This is the biggest thing volatility I've seen right at the Globex ASIA, guys. Oh my God, look at this. My eyes are kind of hurting. Up, down, 200 million points. Woo! This is a lot of fun, guys. Oh my God. Are we gonna be pushing this to the upside here, guys? We're on a 30 minutes chart, by the way. And quite honestly, we've hit in that major level of resistance at 542. That's a major level, guys, man. You know, honestly, we have to pierce through that level to kind of be a lot more bullish, right? If we can get through that 545, I think we could see ourselves get back into 600 area easily. And then everything is capito from there. All right, guys, I'm gonna short this bad boy.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm shorting. 545 kind of feels like a little bit heavy, right? We got a major level of resistance sitting at 545 area to 550. We hit that right at the top. I kind of feel like this could be the short-term top here, and we could see a little pullback down.
Order filled.
Right, guys. Just 1 second, guys. 1 second. I've got to set up something here. All right,
Order
guys.
filled.
Obviously, you guys see I went short right at the start, and we are getting a bounce right after taking my TP, getting one filled. That's a nice little pullback here, guys. I've got only 5 contracts, really?
Order filled. Order filled.
I can't believe I only had 4. That's
Order filled.
that comes a little bit as a surprise to me. Anyways, guys.
Order
Oh, my
filled.
mochaccino.
Order filled.
All right, not bad. We are coming back to life here again. We are trying to push it back down, guys. We hit the top there, right at the 541. We are getting a little pullback down. We could see, wow, that's we could get a pullback here into the 375 for all you know, guys. Everybody, be careful in this trade here. This is gonna kick you. All right, guys, fellow traders. I went short. 476 right now. My entry here 495. Lots and lots of price action. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here. I kind of expected a little bit right at the 541. I kind of felt like that could be a little bit of an, a difficult area to kind of break through right off the bat. So I kind of expected a little pullback. All right, so we are getting a little bounce off that 468.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see, guys. I am short. I've got 4 contracts here. I'm gonna try and let's try to see if I can actually keep trading this bad boy.
Order.
All right, I want to try and
filled.
short this.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went a little aggressively here. Let's see if I can actually get a
Order
little bit follow
submitted.
through to
Order.
the downside, of
filled.
course.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna be looking for that nice little push
Order.
down. One
Order
more push
filled.
down, guys. Let's see if we get a follow through here down. I've got 10 contracts, so we just better get a pullback here. I went short. I went short, guys. I went short. Yeah.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I hope this doesn't give me that bounce right now, right off the bat. Yeah, I went 10 contracts. I'm still up, but gotta be careful.
Submitted. Order submitted.
We could get a bounce, of course, yeah, for all you know. So just gotta be. We are right at the open, so I think this market will have to kind of digest the move. That's what I said. I'm gonna go soft. No. I said I was, but then I said, okay, well, let me try to trade the funding ticks right off the bat. Go a little aggressive and see what happens. So, guys, at 485, we are kind of hitting that 485. Let's see if we get a bounce off that level. Break out of this pivot, or do we get a rejection of that level now and get a pull back here down again and retest the low here? 486 now, guys. My stop will be probably in that 507 area. If this obviously ends up getting bounced, I will be in negative, of course. So let's say, guys, I mean, anything can obviously happen here. Right now, we're kind of like trying to get above all the EMAs and trying to get out of this pivot too. Let's see if this market truly has what it takes to get a bounce now. I'm down, but let's see, guys. It looks like we may try to get a bounce back up again. Yeah, 545 obviously was a major level of resistance, and we kind of got a rejection of the level. We had a decent pullback all the way back down into the 470, and now we are trying to find a footing here, trying to get a bounce back up again. All right, guys, I am yeah, we are getting a bounce right now, guys. We are getting a bounce. Let's see if this bounce actually ends up holding. I will have to exit this trade pretty close here now into the 505. If we just keep piercing through this could be a little fake breakout, and that's why I'm kind of like holding this trade right now. All right, I'd like to kind of see if this is a break, a real break, or this could be a little fake. We'll find out, guys.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right, we are trying to get a bounce, guys. I'm down. I'm still holding. I'm still holding, guys. Oh, thank you, Yuri, for your donation with 10 membership, guys. Big shout out to Yuri. Thanks so much. Oh man, that's an incredible support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys, we're having a little struggle to get above, but I think we could pierce through this now. Thank you so much for your support. I'm down to, well, I've got 10 contracts and I'm down about 140 overall, right? Down about $100 overall. Thank you so much, Yuri, for your support to the stream. We've got 10 new members in the stream right now. Thank you so much for doing that. Really appreciative, guys. And by the way, we've got our giveaway here happening tonight. Take a look at the instruction on our giveaway tab on Discord as well. My Discord link, I will be sharing that again right now. Do not forget to type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our giveaway today. And this is the Discord link. All right, guys, here I am still holding. I want to see if we can, if that was a little rejection off that, a little bit of a fake break to the upside, or do we end up holding this? We're gonna find out right now, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I've got 16 contracts now. I can't edit anymore. Oh, because I've got this.
Order
okay,
canceled.
I see.
Order canceled. Order
filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 19 contracts now. Let's see if we get a little rejection here or we get a bounce. We gotta find out, guys. I will have to exit this trade. If we pierce through this 500 area and get a nice little follow through 505, 5010, 510, I am gonna have to exit my trade, unfortunately, in a negative loss. And this is the account that I thought I lost last night. Maybe could be in a little trouble here today. We'll find out, guys. Sunday night, guys, Sunday night. Beautiful Sunday night, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading here today. And let's try to have some fun here. Oh man, yeah, I'm kind of a little in trouble. StockTiger in trouble. We'll try to find some way out, everyone. It's Apex 1 day to pass, guys. Apex is 1 day to pass. Oh man, look at that wick, guys, man. We gotta pull back into the 480 and then we gotta bounce. Incredible. I'm not sure.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see, guys.
Order
I mean, we could
submitted.
just bounce and just pierce through this, right? Anything can happen right now. I'm down quite a lot now. I'm down quite a lot.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys. The market's sitting at 493. Yeah, I mean, again, I wouldn't want to panic, but again, if it pierces through the 505, 510, I'm gonna have to really kind of be forced to exit my trade. But I ain't gonna exit right now, right here. I'm gonna wait a little bit, guys, at least. Come on, let's just try to give some chance for this market kind of play out, right? Come on, guys. Fellow traders. I know I'm kind of oversized right now. I've got 20 contracts, man. Holy mochino. And that's a pretty aggressive trade here. Yeah, pretty aggressive. Oh my god, I am so embarrassed. Oh my god, I'm so down. What am I gonna do? We're gonna find out, guys. Let's say 496. We either break it down or we pierce through this, right? Or either one of the two. Let's see. We got a nice little bounce right at the start. Get to the upside. Kind of feel the gap to the down. We hit the low at 469. We are kind of sitting right in the middle. 50% retrace here right now in this market. Let's see what this market really wants to do. It looks like, yeah, I mean, it's either ways, guys. 50% retraced already, kind of set and done. 500 area. Let's see if this market now tries to pull back here or get a bounce. Oh my god, guys, it's a problem. I mean, for me, yeah, I'm not gonna cry about this funds. I'll just exit my trade if I get to 110. Sorry, 510, right? I'll just exit my trade. That's it. And we'll kind of wait to see where this market kind of trends, right? And that's what I'm gonna try and do here, guys. And good luck once again if you guys are trading today. It feels like another choppy session night. Until we get to tomorrow, during the actual New York cash, I think we could kind of see a very choppy kind of like a night here today. We are getting a bounce. Oh my god, man. We'll see. 505 now, guys. Oh my god. It looks like it wants to call back up, guys. This is what I'm kind of seeing so far. But again, too choppy for now. Too choppy. Sitting at 505. But I think there's got to be a lot of fakes, both direction, up and down. So got to be extremely careful. I'm pretty sure that we had a lot of traders trying to go long right at the high here, right? Thinking we're going to have this bullish momentum move to the upside. Right, it's spreads are pretty bad as well tonight in particular, obviously coming into the end of the long week, the Thanksgiving, guys. I hope all of you had a great long Thanksgiving, by the way. You entered gold. Oh my god, by mistake you entered gold. That's what I did a couple of weeks ago, and I got smoked, absolutely barbecued. It's never good to enter into a wrong instrument, by the way. And that's the time when you gotta have to kind of like go, okay, well, I've got to be careful this week, because when you get into that sort of a week and you're in the wrong instrument, you start to get you start to do a lot of mess up. All right, guys, we are trying to get a bounce back up again at 497. And thanks, Yuri, once again. Yuri, thank you so much for your support to the stream with 10 membership here donation. Thank you, by the way. Thank you so much. All right, so we are getting a bounce back into the 500 area now, man. I was looking for that little follow-through extended move to the downside, and we just did not get it, right? So let's see. We're kind of chopping in this range. Is this going to be yet another bull flag, or are we going to get a little pierce down, get a rejection of this level, or what? Let's find out, guys. I'm not going to overthink too much. Just kind of wait to see how this plays out and go from there. Oh, my God. We kind of held, so I don't know. Very interesting here, guys. Very interesting. Keep in mind, it's not as bad, volatility, right? It's not as bad. I mean, it could have been a lot worse, but so far I kind of feel like we're kind of like normalizing the volume, if you will, from a Globex Asia standpoint, right? That's a nice little 80 points range right at the start to the low. Top to the trough is 80 points, and now we just kind of like bounced from that low. We are back up to 40 points into the 500 area. Let's see, guys, if we hold or we break it down, guys. One of the two. Yeah, it looks so far, it looks like a higher low to me, but again, we could get a rejection as well. So all right, guys, I'm down about $400. Great, man. This account is in trouble, I guess. Yeah, so like, yeah, I bought the wrong accounts on my Lucid. So I bought the Lucid Pro, and so I had to go ahead and load in some more flex ones. We are breaking out, guys, man. I'm down. We're breaking out. Let's see if we end up holding this, or we get a little breakdown to break in a fake. We could just literally get a fake as well. We'll see, guys. A little in trouble, everybody. Thank you once again for being here today on a beautiful Sunday night, guys. We are obviously seeing a lot of snow here, not just here, but I guess some parts of the US is also getting snow too. I hope y'all having a great Sunday night. Don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, we got our giveaway happening here tonight. That's Lucid 50K account. Boo-boo. All right, guys, we're kind of holding so far, man. I just don't like this move, to be honest. I'm down a lot. Oh my mochaccino. We just broke out. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to exit this trade. I'm down. Man, the reason why, hold on one second, guys. Let me just try to hold this. We got to the 510. Yeah, StockTiger in trouble now with this trade. StockTiger in trouble, guys. Let's see if we can actually hold this or we get a bounce. Yeah, we are getting a bounce, man. It's constantly going, guys. Constantly going. I only have like, oh, I actually have $1,500 drawdown. I have quite a lot, but I just can't add to my position because I'm fully loaded here, 20 contracts, right? That's the max contract size on a funding ticks, by the way. So that's the max you can load in. It keeps going, guys. It keeps going, man. This market I think this market kind of forgot how to pull back, right? I think that's what it is. So far, yeah, we got a nice, beautiful bounce off that 648, 468. I'm still holding this, guys. I'm still holding. I'm gonna try and oh, it's got a multiple of 3.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I went short on Lucid accounts too right now as you speak, so let's try to see if we get a pullback here or we get a rejection there, right? Yeah. Yeah, we just kind of retraced back 50%, kind of getting above that now. I'll try to take my chances here, guys. We'll try to see if we can actually get a little push back down. Yeah, I've got a little less than $1,400 drawdown on this account. So let's see. We're above all the EMA, so technically this could be a buy the pullback kind of idea, higher low. But taking a look from a 30-minute chart, yeah, 30-minute chart, it looks kind of like neutral to me. So we could see a pullback before we start to get a bounce. Who knows, man?
Order filled.
All right, guys, my orders are getting filled there on my oh my god, look at that. What was that, man? Their spreads are horrible right now. The spreads are terrible, guys. Anyways, I am down, still down quite a lot. So on my funding ticks account. Yeah, all the Black Friday offers and the Cyber Monday offers are kind of like ending here in the next day or two, I think. Some of them are actually ending today as well. So I'm like, you know what? That's weird.
Order filled.
The gold, what is up with the gold? I did not take a look at the gold, guys. Yeah, well, the gold is not doing anything. Yeah, I mean, gold is a gold. Gold is gonna do its own thing, you know. It's a gold is in its own world, right? All right, guys, we are trying to get a bounce here. The 505 is gonna be truly important, guys. If we can hold this, if we break it down here from 505 area, I think we could see a nice little fall through down. But we gotta break it down, guys. First thing first, guys. And good luck, everybody. If you guys are trading here today, don't forget to smack the like. If you guys want to support the stream, let's try to get the Lucid 50K account giveaway happening here today. Thank you, y'all, for being here tonight. Let's have some fun, guys. Let's have some fun here, man. We're just 20 minutes past the open and lots of price action here. Lots and lots of action, guys, happening here tonight, guys. Oh my, 510 area. Ooh, baby. All right, so I think it's very important for me. Man, it looks like it wants to break out, guys. I don't like. It doesn't look like it wants to give us a little pullback here down, right? I just don't see something like that happening here. So I'm just gonna first off exit my trade.
Order
yeah, that's
filled.
$400 I made off that. Where's that account? Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to get a pullback at all. Like, yeah, I don't think this is happening here right now. I'm really kind of thinking about exiting this trade here. Oh my god, what a V-shaped bounce, man. I hate this market sometimes. Today's the kind of a day I hate it incredibly so much. Look at this. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna kind of like try to be patient on this bad boy. Let's see who wins this battle. Globex ASIA, man. Come on. I hate it sometimes. $520, guys. You're sitting at that level now. Oh my god, man. Every little pullback is a bounce. Every couple points pullback, you get like 20 points bounce. Let's see, guys, if we hold this. It looks like it's trying to push. Let's see, guys. I'm gonna stay a little patient on this. All right, guys, if you're on the opposite side, if you're banking, congrats, everybody. If you guys are against me fading StockTiger, if you're banking, congrats, everybody. Real congrats, man. I'm serious, man. I'm great job, guys. Congrats to everybody. All right, so I ended up loading in some Top Step as well, guys, with no activation. Hopefully I bought the right accounts. I'm not sure. And then I bought a few well, my Bullanox accounts are kind of like resetting on its own, right? And so I'm gonna have a few evals with Bullanox. I'm gonna be with Top Step. I've got some Lucid accounts, and that's what I've done for on the weekend. So I bought some Lucid account, the Flex and the Pro, both. Obviously, my intention was to load in just the Flex ones, but too bad. I ended up mixing up the both, and I'm kind of like a little confused. But you know, at least I've got some accounts handy here to trade for December. Try to see if I can pass those accounts as well. And then I'm gonna load in a few Legend accounts as well. Legend accounts are ending today. The promos, the Black Friday offers ends today with the Legend accounts, right? Legend trading ends today. So I'm gonna have to load in some accounts with them, just to kind of like, you know, give myself a chance to pass a few and see what happens into the month of December. And by the way, guys, we are obviously into December now, right? I closed the November month at 35, little over 35k, by the way, guys. So yeah, Legend Trading, that's right, Legend Trading, their promo ends I think today. That's what I heard. And then of course you got some 35 offers coming in. So anyways, I did load in some Top Step. I did end up loading in some Bulanox, and I did load in Lucid. I'm gonna have to load in some Legend accounts, and that's it, you know, and then we'll see what happens. I'm kind of waiting for Tradify as well, see what happens with Tradify. They've got some nice little deal coming in. They've got daily payout as well, so I think the competition isn't over yet, guys. It does seem like, what's the Legend promo? The Legend promo is 90% off right now, and their 150k accounts are 137 bucks, if I'm not wrong. I think they're 137 bucks, right? I think that's what it is. And they all end, I think their promo ends today. Their promo ends today. I think that's what it is. I'm sharing that again if you guys want. And then I'm also sharing my Discord link. I think some of you are already asking. I've already shared that, but sharing it again. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Imagine if I exited my trade just because I kind of panicked. I would have been so pissed. However, I'm still in this trade right now, guys. I'm still holding. We'll see what happens, guys. All right, guys, let's see now. This is a true moment where it's like either we break it to the downside or we move up. I kind of felt like it's a bit heavy here, right at the top at 546. There was a rejection off that major level of resistance, and kind of thought maybe we get a little more pullback down, retest the initial low, and then maybe it'll give us a nice little pullback down into the 450 zone. Let's see, guys, if we get it right now, guys. We're getting pretty close to my entry now. Holy mochaccino, man. We could get another leg to the downside, and that's gonna be about, that would be about 80 points move to the down. So that's we already up 30 points. So yeah, I mean, yeah, oh my mochaccino.
Order submitted.
And this is real.
Order
this
submitted.
pullback is real, guys. Let's see if we get another
Order
leg to the
submitted.
down. I'm looking for
Order
the 80 points
submitted.
push down, maybe into the 450s, guys. Let's see if we get it.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
Wow,
Order
what an
filled.
incredible push to the downside,
submitted.
guys.
order submitted.
Yeah, I've got
Order
12 contracts still
submitted.
in this
Order
trade,
filled.
so
Order
Order filled.
everybody. I may try to take some more off
Order.
the table
Order
right here,
filled.
guys.
order
Try
Order
to see. I'm
filled.
going to be down to like 7 contracts now.
order
Order filled.
order
I've got
Order
6 contracts
filled.
here, by the way. I'm going to hold the 6 contracts and see if we can actually get a nice little pullback
order
down.
submitted.
I'd love to, obviously, yeah, I'd love to pass these accounts that I bought. These are $3,000 payout caps. Paid 65 for these. I'm truly, you know, I love these offers that we are kind of getting here on the funding ticks. So I'm definitely a buyer of these accounts for sure. I mean, not the $5,000 payout cap, to be honest. I mean, just you know, $3,000 payout cap is still good enough, I think, in my opinion. I mean, you know what to get $5,000 payout in a single payout. You've got to be like, I don't know, man. You got to be up like $9,000, you know, to get $5,000 payout, right? So I think more realistically, I think $3,000 is just pretty much good enough, to be honest. Yeah, I kind of like that. Oh, really, Justin? Right? You ended up shorting? I got both daily day trades. Sorry, guys, I kind of missed out a lot of the chat. If you guys want to type it again to I can go through this chat right now, guys. I'm so sorry if I missed the chat. If I did not ignore, by the way, It just went too quick, too fast. So if you guys want to type it again, if you have any questions for StockTiger, you can jot it right now, and I'll take a look at it and respond back. Thank you guys. And Justin, right? You ended up shorting and you got that move. Nice, nice, man. Great stuff.
Order
Great stuff,
submitted.
brother. I like that. All right, let's see if we get a little pullback down now, or maybe we try to get a bounce. Yeah, we'll see, guys, man. It looks like it's kind of like trying to fail to the downside. So, guys, got to be a little patient here in this trade. Nice little volatility, guys. Nice little volatility, guys. Come on. I mean, Globex Asia, you're not really expecting a huge move, but we actually got a nice, beautiful 80 points range, up, down, and up again and down again, guys. We are getting a nice, beautiful 62, 80 points range, and we're not even past 40-minute, right? And we've got Tokyo opening in about another 30 more minutes, guys. Well, let's try to be patient. Let's try to kill it, guys. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading here tonight. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We've got our giveaway here happening tonight. 50K account, Lucido. All right, guys, I'm down to 4 contracts now. What's the worst is going to get, right? What's the worst? Major liquidity grab at 415. Yeah, I kind of feel like we could get down to the 415 if this market is truly bearish. We're kind of getting a nice little bear flag, by the way, right? We try to retest. Every retest kind of failed, and we are creating that lower high now. Let's see if we get a nice little break to the downside, guys. I kind of like what I see, but we'll see. This could be a nice little bear flag, guys. We are getting that. Let's see. I kind of like what I see. Yeah, I mean, definitely a lot of fun, guys, man. This volatility today we're getting, it's giving us a little bit of a clue to how it's gonna be tomorrow morning, man. See how it's gonna be tomorrow morning. I think tomorrow morning price action is gonna get really wild. So probably have to try to adjust your position size accordingly to the market volatility right into tomorrow, guys. It's gonna be yet another wild day, I think. The price action we're getting so far tonight is really giving us some kind of clues, right, for tomorrow. And we've noticed that all the time. Every time Globex Asia does funky moves, we have that little extended move into the very next day during the cash. And we've always kind of come across that wild move. So today's price action during the Globex Asia that we're seeing right now, it's not small move. And they're pretty big. They're about 60 to 80 points range. And I kind of feel like, you know, we're going to get some nice, beautiful volatility tomorrow. So be careful, guys, if you guys are trading tomorrow morning. For sure, it's going to be a wild day. I can tell you that much. And do we have any... All right, guys, we got a rejection of the 45. Let's see, guys, if we hold this. If we hold this or we break it down. I think we kind of roll over down into the low 400s. I think that's what I kind of see today. If not, then I think the market's bullish, right? We're going to have to kind of give up the thesis that we are going to continue pulling back here tonight. Right, if we keep getting a bounce off this level, and if it gets above the 500 back again, then I think this market's the market bullish, and it kind of invalidates my my bearish bias for now. We'll see, guys. The Bitcoin pulling back here, really? Oh my God, man. Well, the Bitcoin down, not as much, just 90 points, right? Yeah, not crazy, guys. I haven't seen this pullback in Bitcoin. Nothing really truly meaningful, I think. Okay, we'll see, guys. All right, so we are getting a nice little pullback here on the NQ. Let's see if we get a little more pullback down, back into the low 400s, guys. I'm still holding. Oh my god, yeah, man. Bitcoin HDV, Bitcoin below 80,000. That's gonna be pretty scary, guys. But you know what kind of makes me a little nervous, to be honest with you? I kind of noticed all the ETFs related to Bitcoin, the crypto, last week when the Bitcoin actually got a bounce. I did not see any thing truly meaningful on the crypto ETFs. And that kind of smells, right? I'm not saying it kind of stinks, but I kind of feel like, you know, maybe something just does not feel right about it, right? Usually when the crypto moves like 1%, the Bitcoin to the upside, usually these ETFs move about 3.3%. But the Bitcoin, the ETFs and some of the key ETF stocks related to the Bitcoin kind of did nothing last week. So I don't know. We're gonna have to kind of wait and see, guys. The Bitcoin pulling back obviously right now, nothing really truly crazy, but still lower high of the Bitcoin down to below 91,000. And like I said, yeah, if somebody mentioned about 80k, if we get a pullback underneath at 80k, I think this is we are in trouble. We are definitely in trouble, guys. Holy. How's everyone doing? What is up, man? Cobalt, what is going on? You have been taking a short coming into $92,000 in the Bitcoin today. Yes, nice. It's uptrend, but it needs that pullback. I'm still bullish after the pullback. EMA trader, yeah, I mean I don't disagree with that, but let's see, guys. I mean, the market, obviously, we're not even we're still far away from New York open tomorrow morning, so whatever happens right now, it's not a huge thing, to be honest. Do you track HYZ? I don't, but I have that ticker symbol on my radar, but I don't really track though.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Wow, man, look at that mochaccino pullback, guys. This is insane. We're getting a nice little pullback here, guys. Holy mochaccino. Oh my god, I'm tired of this nonsense. Cyber Monday, get the hell out of here. 80% off. Either you get me 95% off or don't even talk about the offer.
Order filled.
I've got what is that again? HYD. I've got it here. HYG right here, guys. HYZ is here. So I did track this. These are all my key sorry, not the instrument, ticker symbols that I like to keep. These are all my watch list, obviously, for me. So I'm gonna make some adjustments on this watch list, but so far I kind of like what I see. So, and HYZ is one of them. I don't really keep track of this though as much, but all right, we get a nice little balance. I got 2 contracts now. I'll probably end up exiting this trade right here, guys. All right, I'll exit that trade. I'm out of the trade, guys, and I'm gonna look to trade another one here. All right, guys, let's see.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Oh, maybe I made a mistake, guys. This is lower high, right? This is a lower high. What am I doing? Get a little bounce back into back into the EMA 468. 447 here. This could be the lower high, flush down as well. StockTiger, what are you doing? You put yourself in trouble. Well, all right, 458, we are here, guys. 458, let's see if we hold this and try to get a little bounce back up, or do we flush it down? We kind of like, you know what, we got a nice little support here at the 445 area, so right, the EMA support there. It did not quite get there, but I mean still pretty close. So maybe try to get a bounce back into the 467 before we the market try to decide to get some direction and move up that. All right, guys, I'm gonna be looking for a bounce back into 468.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, we'll see, guys.
Submitted.
We'll see. I mean, I could be wrong, but We'll see.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
This could be a lower high and maybe a continuation pullback here down as well, right? So, oh my god, I can't believe I'm down already, down $200. That's yeah, that's a rejection of that level. It's a lower high so far.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm long right now. I'm adding to my position. I could get in trouble, man. We could get a big flush down, to be honest with you, but I'm taking a stab at this, trying to go long here. I look for a quick scalp here. See a bounce back into the 465-ish. Yeah, it's always tough to, obviously, guys are retesting 445 now. We could break it down as well, so the RSI sitting at 28. We could easily pierce through this level down. We'll see, guys. We're hitting that key level of support here right now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I went long, guys. I've got 14 contracts. It doesn't seem like I've got lots, but even then, a small little move in the in this price, I'm like down quite a bit. Weird, right? It's only down like 10-15 points, but then I'm down like $400, man. Crazy. Yeah, I'm down quite a lot, man. I'm down about $400, and it's like I'm only down like 10 points. Incredible. Either my math is wrong or I don't know, man. What is it? I have no idea what CME is doing, but you know what? Something's wonky. It's like a small little 14 contracts being down about $300. Weird. We'll see, guys. I'm not gonna panic just yet. And yeah, we'll see, guys. We get a nice little break to the upside now. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce back. Let's see if we kind of hold this. See if we get a nice little break to the upside.
Order
here.
Submitted.
Or we just flush it down, man.
Order
again,
submitted.
we are getting that rejection off that level again. That 460 area seems like a little bit of a difficult area to kind of break. We're getting a little pullback down again. Oh my god, this is annoying. Yeah, it's lower high to me so far. It's like a lower high breaks the downside, so we could see a pullback here before we get a bounce, or we try to get a bounce. Maybe this could be a little bit of a short-term bottoming process, if you will, right? Maybe a little bit of a W pattern kind of playing out. We'll see, guys, but we gotta hold this area though, right? You know, to kind of see that W pattern kind of play out, or else it's gonna be tough. All right, by the way, guys, thank you guys for being here today on a beautiful Sunday night, guys. I hope you all had a great weekend too with your family, a beautiful rest, and maybe you guys are ready to start a great week, a trading week starting tomorrow. Globex ASIA has always been kind of like a warming up session for StockTiger, to be honest. All right, let's see, man. We are constantly getting rejection of the 460. Get a little annoyed now. Iki. We'll see, you guys. I would like to see this thing pierce through that, but again, the 445 area obviously is a major level of support. If you break underneath that, man, I will be in trouble here again. Yeah, this is definitely a lot of risk here I'm kind of playing, but we'll see, guys. See, I'm still holding this, and it looks like this market's trying to hold. It's trying to hold here, guys. Let's get a nice little pump here in the house. All right, guys, 450 We really got to hold this now and give this a little bit of a break to the upside, guys. The pivot sitting at the 466. I do kind of feel maybe we get a bounce back into the 470s maybe by the time this is all said and done, but we'll see, guys. Looking weak so far though, I'll be honest, but that doesn't mean that we can't get a bounce, man. This market looking weak, but then we got a nice beautiful bounce, right? Just like how we got a bounce here. We may kind of try to see that little bit of a bounce back into at least the 470s maybe. All right, guys, good luck everybody. Whoo, baby, that's a lot of pressure for sure. Pump wait, man, what is going on, brother? Mill, Kobab, what up? Albert. All right, guys, this market trying to get a bounce. I like what I see, but let's see, guys. God, man, just hold it now once and for all. Jeez, man. Come on, market, let's do get a bounce. 455 here, guys. This market is definitely not weak, right? There's definitely that volatility kind of playing. We got a lot of volatility here tonight, guys. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun, guys. Oh yeah, I completely forgot about Tokyo, guys, by the way. We got Tokyo in about 10 minutes. Oh yeah, a little less than, well, a little over 10 minutes, guys. A little over 10 minutes. Yeah, we got Tokyo, guys, in about 10 minutes. So hopefully nobody's in a heavy position now. Guys, let's have fun here today. Let's nothing really truly serious. Right, I think the real game will be tomorrow, I think. Tiger, is this giveaway the Lucid Flex? No, this is the regular Pro Lucid, by the way. The Lucid 50k account that I'm giving away today is not the Flex one. This is the regular one, which obviously the price is already up, right? The price is up on the Pro, by the way. It's over $100. Incredible. So it's a lot more expensive account. I'm a little confused. They increased the price of the Pro, by the way, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed that.
Order filled.
Have you guys noticed that?
Order filled.
Holy mochaccino, guys. We're getting a nice little bounce in this market. Oh, wow. Boom. Yeah, no need to stress out. Yeah, we're just here to have some fun for sure. All right, guys, let's see. 465, it's that pivot. Let's see if we get a nice little break out of the area now.
Order filled.
Holy
Order
man,
submitted.
this is not bad at all. Not a bad trade. Now it's got to kind of hold, right? If it doesn't hold, then I'll be in trouble now here. Yeah, I'll be in trouble, yeah, for sure.
Order rejected.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
Wrong place.
canceled.
Wrong place.
Order filled.
All right, I'm down to 5 now, guys. I'm down to 5.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold the rest now. I've got 3 contracts. I'm gonna hold the rest.
Canceled.
I'm gonna hold the rest, guys. No pasa nada. Yes, that's right, everybody. Everything's all good. No pasa nada, guys, man. Up 545 for the day. Verdi, man. Hey, congrats, brother. I hope you banked. And that's 548. Awesome job. Awesome. Keep it up, brother. Hope you have a great day tomorrow. A great start. Great start. It's always really nice to kind of like be in the green on a Sunday night. So you kind of have a great start to the week. A fresh new week, right? Slicker, man, very good trade so far. Hey, man, thank you so much, brother. It's all thanks to you, man. It's all thanks to you. And thank you, everybody. Amigo, ¿cómo estás, mía? Oh, it took a bounce with me. Nice, man. Made $287 on that brand new flex. Nice. Yes, good to see that. All right, man. All right. The Trader Nest up $3,500. Apex Street 100k eval. All right, guys, let's try to take a look and see what is up here on our payout tab, guys. As you guys know, we got a lot of great traders on our Discord, by the way. And I'm gonna share the Discord link again if you guys want to hang out. One of the best Discord. A PROPFIRM space. All right, by the way, guys, we got our key taking $9,000 from Tradify. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Amazing. Congrats, Arkia. Congrats with that $9,000, man. That must be huge. That must be across like a couple accounts, I guess, right? But good stuff, man. Oh, we got some more. Sorry, man, I completely forgot about this. We got Scapster taking some money out, guys. Good to see y'all do great stuff like this. Just taking payouts on a Sunday night. That's great, man. You guys were probably waiting for the market to open. That's weird. Good stuff, man. And we've got the Apache taking $1,000 from Lucid Trading as well. Oh my god. Silver 31k. Come on, bro. Guys, man, silver taking 31k, man. That's crazy, bro. That's a big paycheck. Yeah, that's a huge paycheck. That's definitely a huge one. Mr. Roa Trades taking $1,500 off that Lucid Trader funded account. Awesome, awesome, Roa Trades. Great to see you do great stuff like that, taking payouts. Nice, man. We have Send Paid taking his first payout ever with Funded Futures Network, guys. Yeah, somebody asked me, is this Funded Futures Network legit? Absolutely. It's a great firm. You got a lot of traders taking a lot of payouts through Funded Futures Network, guys. And that's what, if you guys want to find out if it's truly legit, you have to be on our Discord, right? And you have to be, and you've got to ask our fellow traders and tell them, is this legit? And they're gonna let you know if it's yes or no. It's not me saying it's legit, but it's everybody else. So Funded Futures Network taking a big payout, and this is his first ever payout. Mr. Send Paid, congrats, man, congrats. And we got Andy taking $14,000. Oh my god, man, that's huge. That's huge. Mr. Andy taking $14,500 across, not across, on a funded network. And that's crazy, guys. Crazy stuff. Lots of huge payouts. Lots of first timer payouts as well. Great to see y'all do well. Thank you guys for being here as well. All right, we are getting a nice little bounce off that 470, guys. Let's see if we can actually hold and try to see if we can actually get a little more push here back into the 500, guys. I've got 3 contracts. I'm gonna try and hold this trade as is, and if we get a pullback here down, I'll exit my trade at 455 area, because that's like a confirmation it's a lower high, right? So I'm gonna have my hard stop there in that area. And I'm gonna be looking to see if we get a nice little bounce back into 500 from here, right? And we've got a hard stop at 455 as well. So silver, he's got 20,000 from Funded Futures Network before. Yes, Andy Tang, I think he's silver also got Funded Futures payout as well. So yeah, I see that. Yeah, I can't find it here on the Discord because it's been I think that was like last month or a month before. I'm not really sure. How do we win Lucid Trader account? We just have to type in !Tiger, bro. That's all you really have to do to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway. And we will call out the winner pretty soon here, guys. And by the way, guys, do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And do not forget to subscribe as well. Oh yeah, and by the way, I think they're coming up with the Tradify is coming up with some crazy daily payout that I've never obviously kind of expecting from Tradify to come up with something like that. Soul Trader, what is going on, man? Great to see you here from Seoul. Are you from Seoul, Korea? Is that what it is? Let me know. Gemini Dog, what is going on, brother? Lemon, Sniper, Monica in the house. What is up, man? Monica, Apex Trader, Skelter, Jordan, Adam. All right, man. All right, we're getting a little pullback here down. So far we're kind of chopping, right? You got a nice little bounce off that 460, and we got a bounce into the 475. We just could not hold that area. Getting a little pullback down. Let's see, guys, if we hold this now, 465. If you get a rejection here, I think we could roll over down and create a lower high and give us that push back into the low 400s maybe. So we really have to kind of hold this area. If you don't, then I think this market is in trouble, right? I think this market could see a pullback into the next EMA on a 30-minute chart back into the 400, guys. So I think we really have to kind of hold and get a bounce of this level now, guys. Tokyo in about a minute. Oh my guys, I completely forgot about Tokyo. Guys, I'm gonna have to exit this trade right now. I'm gonna have to exit this trade. Oh well. Oh my god, we got Tokyo, guys. I completely forgot about that. Tokyo in about 60 more seconds. That's right. You are right, everybody. Tokyo in about 60 more seconds. Yeah, it's 20 more seconds, guys. Yeah, that's right, 20 more seconds for Tokyo. Let's see, guys, if we get a bounce off this 460. I think this is gonna be pretty huge. I'm gonna try and be a little more aggressive now, guys. I'm you know, I just need to see some direction and move here. I'm just not getting any of that right now, so that's the only problem. All right, guys, I will try to exit this trade.
Order.
Oh my
filled.
god, one got triggered there, guys. I'm down to 2 contracts now.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, the Tokyo's open now, guys. Tokyo's open. Let's see, guys, if we get a bounce off this level now. Yeah, if we can hold this, then I think we get a bounce back into the 480. Yeah, it's kind of chopping, right? It's kind of chopping here in this range. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right now. Oh man, should I exit or try to add? As soon as I said I'm gonna exit this trade, I'm like, maybe I should add to my long position here. Just taking a look from a 30-minute standpoint, looks like we are getting a little bit of a bounce, and this market's kind of like trying to hold this EMA here, support at 450. We held at 450 here, guys. Actually at 445. Yeah, overall the structure kind of feels bearish, but again, I mean, if we pierce through this and we try to get over 485, this is no longer bearish, right? So far on a 30-minute chart, it doesn't look as bearish as well. So, all right, I'm gonna try and hold this, see what happens, because I've only got 2 contracts now. I'll probably end up trying to add to my long position on a pullback down. Right, I'm gonna try and add to my let me just try to add to my long position on a pullback, right? Because I'm on a smaller size right here, where I've only got 2 contracts. Like, it's not the end of the world, to be honest. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and add to my short position, long position on a pullback down, maybe into the 420s if you get a pullback here, that is. And then we'll see, guys. We'll see what happens. Thank you guys for being here today. A beautiful Sunday night, guys. Thank you so much. Once again, my Discord link is there. I'll share it again. I think a lot of you guys are asking about Discord link too. This is the Discord link right now. And keep an eye on the, well, not keep an eye, just yeah, do some research on the offers if you guys need to load in some accounts. There are some offers that end in the next day or two, right? So I think the FDS offer actually ended today, so I think they're gone. I think, if I'm not wrong, the FDS one, the $8. I bought 13 accounts with them, so, and that was it. I loaded in 13 accounts with the on a 25k static accounts. That's the FDS accounts, and looks like they're already gone. It's weird that you know, one thing that I don't like with these firms, every time they try to, like, you know, do a few days, like, what's the point? I understand they're trying to make some money, but I mean, still, I mean, just keep it for a little longer, right? Maybe about a week or two. Some of these guys are like running it for 24 hours, 48 hours, you know what I mean? I don't like that. No, FDS. I'm talking about the FDS. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm sorry, man, if I'm not. My apologies, everybody, but it's FDS PROPFIRM. And they had a 25k static account for $8, so I took 13 accounts with them. So yeah, so yeah, I think it's very important at this time of the year, right, to kind of do your own research. To you know, I think pretty much all the offers are kind of like, you know, give or take, are pretty close to each other. There's nothing really truly stands out for me, to be honest with you guys. Nothing really stands out. So what I did was I ended up spreading my purchases, right? So I bought a few of Top Step, I bought a few listed accounts, I bought a few FDS, and I bought a few Biononox accounts, and that was it. You know, nothing really there. And then I've got to really try to trade the accounts that I bought and the existing accounts as well. So there's a lot of work to do here, guys, in the next few days or so. And then we'll see, guys. We'll try my level best to build as many funded accounts as much as I can, and try to see if I can actually build through, and then try to roll over back into 2026 and try to see if I can actually get to maybe over 40 accounts to start next year, right? 40 accounts next year is my goal. So yeah, it's I don't think it's gonna be that easy, but we'll give it a try, guys. We'll give it a try. I've got over what again? I'm trading with over 9 firms right now. So if I can have five accounts across each of these firms, that's like 40 right there. So, and on top of that, I've got Apex, 12 accounts at Apex. So, and Apex is looking even better right now, guys. I've got a lot of accounts over buffer too. Apex accounts above buffer. So liquidated at 400. Oh, Captain Price, you actually got you got stopped out on your trade. Nova Tail, what is going on, man? God bless you too as well, brother. I think this is bearish. Yeah, I mean, I'm not, it does look bearish. Like I said again, I've only got 2 contracts right now, so I've only got 2 contracts, so I'm gonna try and add to my long position here on a pullback, like kind of scale into my long position on a pullbacks, right? Unless this market's gonna dump, I will exit for sure if it cracks underneath the 400, right? So we're kind of like 30 points away from where we are now, so I'm willing to kind of hold because I've only got small size contracts, so it's not gonna be like the end of the world for me. Oh really nice, man. So our trades, what is going on, man? Ferrari in the house, man. Holy Ferrari, no Porsche. Captain Price, it's been a holiday fixing it. Yeah, it could be. I think that's what it is, brother. Monica, NKD is dumping like blood. Really? Let's take a look at NKD here, guys. Maybe I should have just shorted this market, damn it. NKD, what is the NKD, guys? Is it H or Z5? Let's take a look at the Z5 here. Oh man, NKD down about 1/4%. Well, it's not crazy. Oh yeah, man, it's actually looking not good. They pull back 300 points right from the top there, 400 area. because we are getting a pullback here. Not good, guys. Guys, man, it's not looking good. I don't know if adding to my long position is the way to go. Maybe I should have just showed it right at that. I mean, we kind of knew that we were gonna get a pullback here into the low 400s, but hold on one second, guys. I mean, the idea behind adding to my long position was obviously thinking this market is gonna get a bounce and try to get that nice little trendy move to the upside, right? So far we are pulling back here, guys. Let's see how this market kind of reacts at this 400 area now. We are right at the EMA here, support 410 area. So we'll see, guys. Let's try to be a little patient. I'm gonna be first target is 470. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, we have to hold this, right? If we can't hold this, then I think we pierce down. We could just literally give everything back again. So just gotta be extremely careful, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is dumping, guys. This pullback mochaccino is real. What is going on here, guys, on the Bitcoin? Bitcoin pulling back here. It's 1.5%. Let's take a look at the gold for a moment. The gold trying to get a bounce, but the Bitcoin pulling back here, guys. I wonder what that's telling us. Bitcoin is pulling back here, guys, down. So weird. Yeah, the Bitcoin's pulling back. Profile Sky, what is going on, brother? Just in 100 million Bitcoin and crypto longs liquidated in the past hour. I mean, just because the Bitcoin pulls back into the $89,000, we've got $100 million liquidated. Really? Like, that's insane, guys. That's insane. Wow. Just imagine if this Bitcoin pulls back 5%, then what is it gonna be? $1 billion liquidated? Is that what it's going to be? And it's incredible. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. No signs of a bounce, so I may be on the wrong side. I mean, I'm not down at all, but I mean, my idea was not this. My idea was we pull back, and then get a reversal pattern and back up again, right? But we're not getting any of that so far. So so I'm going to kind of wait to see if we get a bounce back into the 435s. Because that's going to be a little bit of a, right? Reversal kind of a pattern. Looking at 68.25 on the ES. Bitcoin does not matter right now. The correlation is delayed, especially after the weekend. Yeah, so we also have the weekend. We got to kind of think about that too. So yeah, we are getting a nasty pullback here, guys, man. This is a pretty hard breach. We're back down to the 400, and it doesn't look like we are trying to get a bounce at all. I don't know if me adding to my long here, I don't know if that's going to kind of help me in any way. So I'm going to have to just stay put on this. To contracts, I'm willing to kind of hold it all day, to be honest. But I mean, at the right moment, I'm going to add to my, either I'm going to add to my long or I will exit my trade. Yeah, we're right at the edge, guys. 400 area. This is going to be pretty big. If we crack underneath that 400 zone, then I think we are in trouble. Yeah, the thing is, I don't see a buyer at all here, guys, man. There's no buyer stepping in. And that's the problem. Where did the buyers go? They all disappeared. They're gonna be like, come back tomorrow. No buying tonight. I think everybody's kind of seeing, they want to see how this market's gonna be tomorrow with a lot of volume. Obviously what I'm trying to say is the volume kind of normalized, right? We had a long holiday week. So maybe tomorrow is a kind of a day where everything starts to normalize. And yeah, and that's when I think we're gonna have to see where the big whales are going to take this market into. Tax harvesting right now, it's a little bit too early, guys. I even have some friends trying to do tax harvesting, but not now. Probably into the mid-December, right? A little bit early, I think, in my opinion, right? I mean, just, I mean, even for me, I'm not gonna try and do that now. It's a little bit too early. Maybe wait until, like, you know, December. I guess that's what a lot of the traders are actually kind of waiting for. Oh. Why did I not take the inverse tiger? Yeah, you should have, man. Profess guy, what the heck? What the heck, brother? If there was only sellers, who is buying from them? I have no idea. No buyer, just sellers. The market tanks. I mean, literally, there's no volume right now either, right? The volume's kind of dead. Oh, and by the way, I loaded some Top Step accounts too. I loaded some Top Step. I've got it here right now. You can see. Or I've got I loaded some. I bought three. I bought three Top Step. It was a bit pricey, so all I could really do was pay 90 bucks. That's with no activation, so that's what I did. Oh, you know, yeah, we could see this market actually end up pulling back here as well. So let's see, guys. Let's see what kind of a bounce we get first, and then maybe we could see this market actually end up pulling back all the way back down into the 160s as well, for all you know. Yeah, the real volumes are going to be obviously starting tomorrow. So, oh, where's my account, man? All right, right here, guys. We are trying to get a bounce back into the 420s. So, guys, we'll see. I'm confused myself. Yeah, I'm confused. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the guys, man, November is behind us now. Let's not think about November. My November month is over. All right, we took a little over 35K for the month of November, and it's great. I should have put out a video. I did not do that. My apologies, guys. But I kind of felt like, you know, we're only 1 month away from the year to be over. So I thought maybe I'll put a video that's gonna, like, you know, combine everything into one. And so I thought maybe that's probably a better idea, or just maybe do another video just for November itself. I'm not really sure. I'll let you guys know if I do, then I'll probably come out with a video in the next day or two. But yeah, so far we had a great month, November. Obviously, it could have been a lot better, right? You know that, you know, I made a lot of mistakes, and I ended up blowing some very super duper important accounts. You guys, I've already told you guys many times, over and over again, every day. Yeah, but at the end of the day, I also did some good things, right? And got to the 35K, a little over 35K, and that's obviously over my target, right? Obviously, you guys know my target was 35. And that was a stretch goal, right? That was my stretch goal, by the way. That was not like my, like, you know, that's not a goal that I kind of came up with right at the start of November. That was my stretch goal, and I said, you know what, maybe let's give it a try and see if we can get over 35. And we got it to over a little over 35. And that's my closing November. And we are in December now. I've already got the evals that I need. My funded accounts are looking I haven't lost any funded accounts so far in the last 1 week, so yeah, it's I'm very excited to find out what how this December unfolds, right? I'm very excited to find out, guys, how this month's gonna unfold. I mean, this month meaning December, right? We're technically in December, by the way. We are Sunday night here. Tomorrow is the 1st of December. We're into December now, so yeah, I can't wait to see how it unfolds. And yeah, we're in this together, right? We're in this journey together. Let's find out. All of you, I hope all of you do really well in the month of December, guys. It's the last trading month of the year. and we don't want to make any silly mistakes because we don't want to have we don't technically, I just don't want to have a bad Christmas, you know what I mean, and a year end. It just feels bad, you know. I made some really terrible errors last year in October, November, and obviously I had a lot of stress moving into the end of the year, right? So I do not want to make the same mistake here. I don't think that's what it's going to be, but just saying. So far I feel everything is looking okay. So far everything's looking okay. You know, when I make mistake, I kind of feel like I'm making mistakes on my eval accounts, not so much on my funded, so I feel grateful. We'll try to see, guys. I'm really targeting to get to 5 funded accounts with Top Step. I want to get to 5 accounts with 500 accounts listed as well. And of course, everything else with Apex. Billanox is a very important account. I really want to get better at trading Billanox. I'm not gonna load in as much on Billanox because they're kind of like a little pricey at the moment. So, but I still would like to have like a few accounts with them, right? All right, guys, we are getting that rejection off that 425, guys. Man, this is not good. I don't like it. I don't like this, guys. We could get a little crack underneath that. The Bitcoin's pulling back here, everybody. Bitcoin's pulling back pretty hard, and gold trying to get a little bounce. Maybe get a breakout in the gold, and the ES is struggling to get above. Overall, the structure pretty bullish, but we are getting rejection off the major level of resistance. That's for ES at 68, 62 area. So we'll see, guys. Maybe tonight is all about a pullback, right? Lower high, maybe that's what it is. All right, guys. I'm gonna try and exit this and try to short this, guys. Right, that's what I'm gonna try and do here. I'm gonna look for a little bounce and try to exit this trade here. Yeah, like I said again, I held on to this trade because I only had 2 micros and I was already up, so I took my chances. But doesn't look like it's doesn't look like it wants to hold, to be honest. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's trying to hold, guys. I just don't like how it's no buying pressure. Where did all the buyers go? I have no idea. They disappeared. Capito, everybody's gone. All right, we are pulling back here, guys. The market down about 0.25%. Every little far away. Yeah, it looks weak, man. Guys, looks weak, man. We crack underneath this 385. I think we're looking all the way back down to 265. That's like 100 and some points away from where we are now. So yeah, I'm gonna exit this trade here. Yeah, I'm not adding because I kind of feel like this market is still looking for a pullback further. If I see some relative strength on a bounce, then yeah, it kind of makes sense to add. But I mean, I don't see any of that right now, so we'll see. I'm still seeing. Yeah, anybody who won the Take Profit Trader giveaway last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, in that area, you guys have to kind of bear with me, or anybody I'm having that conversation right now, like Meek Mac as well. Just wait till tomorrow. I'll come back to you guys. Yeah, I'm kind of holding because I kind of feel like I have what it takes to hold so far with 2 contracts. So, but the Bitcoin pull back here. So overall, I think this there's a little bit of a break in the structure here, right? I don't know if we are going to get a bounce right from here. I'd like to see what this gold's gonna do. The gold is not doing anything so far, right? It's kind of sitting in that range. NKD giving a big fat pullback here, man. Look at that nasty pullback, guys, in NKD, right? So it almost kind of feel like NKD could see a pullback down to the 49,700 area. That's the next level of support. If you guys are trading in NKD, oh my god, this virus promo, right? This is where it's kind of like waiting for it to pull back into the on NKD. And the NQ also, it's not, there's no buying pressure, so I guess kind of like probably just better off exit this trade here. I'm gonna do that right now, guys. I exited that trade. Yeah, I exited that trade. I'm gonna try and short on a bounce, guys. I'm gonna try and short on a bounce. Yeah, not a big it was kind of like a calculative say move that would I mean the trade. So I'm not really truly too concerned about that. But look at this market, guys. We are just literally dumping here right now, right? I like to short this, but obviously I never really got a chance to short this market. Man, look at this dumpage. Wow, guys, this market's moving. We just literally gave back over 100 points. I should have stepped in with my funded account on my Take Profit Trader. Oh, by the way, I got a daily payout on my Take Profit Trader too. $50. That's the most I could do. Actually, though, I lied. That's $70. I'm gonna move that $70 into my yeah. $70. That's what I made on Friday, or I don't know if it's Friday or Thursday. But I made $70. I'm like, you know what? Let me try to make something. At least $70. Pay for my coffee, right? Exactly, guys. You know what? You know how I felt so good? You know, when I made the $70, I felt really good, man. I requested on the weekend, and obviously I think by tomorrow morning it's gonna be into my wallet. But that $70 is not small, guys. If you just think about it, try making $50, and if you trying to withdraw that $50 into your wallet, that feels really, really good, guys. Honestly, it feels really good. So every day, if you make $50, and if you move, well, $50 times 25 days, and that's a lot. It's not a small amount, right? And if you're copy trading and you try to make $50, so that's $1,200, man. $1,200. If you make every day $50 for every single day in that month, then you're making $1,200 on that single account. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and short this pop here. Wow, the thing is, we are kind of like overextended to the downside, so I don't know, man. We may get a little bounce. I made $50. I made $70. I did a request to withdraw, and I feel good. You know, I felt really good about that $70, man. Honestly, and I kind of realized that, you know what, $70 is, it sounds small, but it's really not. It felt really, really good when I requested that payout. I'm like, you know what, the market, obviously, you guys know how dead it was in the last few days. And truthfully, I never really got a chance to trade my pro accounts. But somehow I said, okay, you know what, let me just try to make some $50 if I can. And I did. You know, I made $70 and I requested that withdrawal of payout, and then it felt really good, really good. Give it a try, guys. It doesn't have to be $500 in a single trade. Even $70 counts at the end. It's due for a bounce. All right, guys, we are back here again. Guys, if you guys want to support the stream, do not forget to smack the like, guys. Thank you so mucho, everybody. And the volume's gonna kind of normalize into tomorrow, right? And that's what it is. So I think we're gonna start to see some real big volatility step in tomorrow. I think today is giving you that sort of a clue. So I think it's gonna be truly very important how we. I'm gonna try and be a little bit conservative moving into tomorrow, guys, because yeah, I want some direction to move. But it's gonna be a tough day. Kind of feels that way for now. BTC is tanking, really? Yeah, BTC is pulling back, guys. It's not looking good. Remember I was talking about this ETF on the crypto related stocks, and they did not move when the Bitcoin was actually moving to the upside, right? And I kind of smelled something bad, and I guess this is what we're getting right now. Weird, guys. This market is weird, guys. This market's trying to hold 350 now. I don't know for how long it's gonna be able to hold this, though. We end up pulling back here. 390 now. We are trying to get back into the 400. We got a little bit of a bounce back. I don't know if this is truly a dead cat bounce, or do we get a further continuation of a pullback here? I'm not sure. With your strategy, do you prefer end of day? I mean, I do both. Guys, keep in mind, I do both end of day and trading. All right. I do trading on Apex accounts and Bullanox, right? And then take profit trader. When you get to the funded account, then it gets trading too. So I'm so used to trading with trailing drawdown accounts on Apex and Bullanox and few others.
Order filled.
That if we end up moving into end of day, I may end up losing, right? Because you're just so used to trailing drawdown on these firms. But for accounts like Funding Ticks, Top Step, and Lucid, for example, I've got to trade end of day because I'm kind of used to trading those accounts with end of day only, right? So it's so much up here, more so than really anything else. It's weird. I don't know how to explain that, but the trailing, it's up lots of drawdown. It makes sense, but I don't know, man. It doesn't really truly matters as much for me. I know it does kind of affect a lot of traders, but for me, it doesn't really matter too much, right? It doesn't, at least for me. Because I like to scalp, right? I like to scalp, and I like to take profits off the table a lot faster, right? I do a lot of micro scalping, so trading drawdown does not really affect me as much. All right, guys, I'm looking for that pullback here, but so far we're kind of holding. I've got 2 micros to the downside. We'll see, guys. Hold on one second. Let me just exit this trade. What is getting a bounce? Gold is not moving at all, guys. What are you guys talking about? I don't know. A lot of you guys are trying to talk me talking about gold, but is it because you guys are trying to make me trade gold? Is that what it is? I'm not gonna trade gold, yeah. And the gold is dead. It's been sitting 0.25% for all night now, while everything else is kind of moving, right? What is gold doing? It's got no volume. It's got nothing in there. Oh, by the way, yeah, I think I'm on a wrong contract too. Yeah, I think I'm on a wrong contract. Sorry, guys, 1 second. What is it again? MGC. MGC. What was it again? MGC. What again, guys? My apologies, but what was the contract? G6. All right. Oh yeah, I'm on a wrong contract and it's kind of like giving me a different number. Yeah, you're right. My apologies, man. It's my fault. Yeah, now it's moving. It is moving, you're right. I'm sorry, man. It's all my fault. It's all StockTiger's fault, everybody.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys. Oh, hold on one second, guys.
Order filled.
Yeah, $900. Yeah, it is definitely doable. Yeah, I was looking at December one. Sorry, man. Profit factor. You kept saying gold, and I'm like, it's not moving at all. What are you guys talking about? I was on a wrong contract, man. It's all my fault. It's all my fault, everybody. Just blame it back to StockTiger. Holy. Anyways, thank you guys for being here today, guys. We're having a lot of fun. Oh, by the way, we got to do our giveaway, right? Guys, do not forget to smack the like, guys. And do not forget to subscribe as well if you guys want to get notified every time I go live, guys. Everybody, by the way, StockTiger goes live every day during Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. And also, you guys know I go live during New York as well, at least twice a week, guys. In the morning, usually about 10:30 to 11 o'clock Eastern time is when I go live. So don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys. Thank you so much. And once again, do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And now we're about to go ahead and do our giveaways, guys. Let's go ahead and do this, everybody. Are you guys ready? Guys, this market is obviously dead, right? The market is obviously dead. So we're down about 100 points, which is killer. Maybe I should have taken advantage to short this market, but of course I wasn't expecting this kind of a pullback all the way down. So I think we'll get it back. It's just a matter of, I'm just looking for that another directional move here. Maybe get a little bounce back into 410 and then that kind of fades down. So we'll see, guys. Everybody, I am going to close the entries here. I kind of smell fellow traders typing in exclamation tiger now. Oh, yeah, I know NQ Scalper, man. Lucid loves you, yeah, for sure, man. I knew it, man. I knew it, guys, man. You guys are typing exclamation tiger. I knew it. I kind of smelled that. I was like, you know what? It's that time of the day. We're gonna see millions of fellow traders typing in. Maybe kind of stop right here, guys. I think it's way more than that. This is not updated. I think it's probably sitting at let's take a look. How many oh yeah, it's 482. You're right. 480. Yeah. I'm sorry, man. I mean 480 tickets. Your chance of winning this giveaway kind of gone down pretty significantly. But you know what? Good luck, everybody. Is this market pulling back here? I don't know. Is this market pulling back? Just one second, guys. What am I looking at? Oh yeah, this market's trying to pull back here, guys. I don't like this move at all, to be honest with you. I think this market has some more juice to the downside, but I'm going to be looking for a little bounce though before I can try to hop on a short side. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait a little bit, guys. And by the way, let's go ahead and do our giveaway. I'm going to close the entries, guys. Good luck. Show some love, guys. Show some love. Do not forget to smack the like, guys, as well. It takes a few seconds of your time to do that. Thank you so much, everybody, to your support to the stream. And I am going to close the entries now. Good luck, everybody. Rest in peace, NKD. Really? NKD is kind of dumping. Oh my god, yeah, man. That's definitely rest in peace for NKD, man. Goodbye, NKD. We'll love to see you back tomorrow, NKD. But for now, goodbye. That's pretty wild, man. Look at this NKD move. I think the NQ is kind of gonna follow the route, but that's crazy though, guys, man. What the heck is going on here in this market? Yeah, that's a pretty crazy move by NKD, guys. I wonder where this NQ is gonna kind of move. Maybe follow that route. Maybe we are getting rejection off that 385 again.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order.
Guys, I went short here.
Order
a quick scalp here, guys. Quick scalp. 1 second, guys. I'm scalping this, by the way. A quick scalp here down. Let's see if we can actually get a little more pullback down.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted.
Alright, guys, I'll let you that trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna get a pullback here, so I'm just going to oh shit.
Order
filled.
We're getting a pullback here.
Order submitted.
Now, I've got 3 contracts.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yeah, we could. Maybe this is setting up for a bounce back up again. Maybe.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
A quick scalp here. I'm not looking for a big move. Just a quick scalp to the downside. Retest the initial low here. Probably end up exiting this trade right now, guys. I'm gonna go 4 contracts now. Yeah, guys, I'll let you that trade.
Order filled.
You know. Anyways, guys, good luck, everybody. Let's go. Yeah, that's a pretty nasty pullback all the way down, guys. This market obviously is not looking that great so far. Yeah, it's a pretty ugly price action we are getting right now, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entry now. Yeah, we could. Yeah, I could see this thing flush it down pretty hard, guys. Too, not looking good so far at all. Wow, incredible, guys. See how? Yeah, man. Look at this, man. How much of a dump we actually got, man. They picked everybody out on that bounce, right? Just to get everybody out. just to take everybody out of the system, and then the market starts to just tank all the way down. I should have just took the whole move to the downside, man. I just did not capitalize on that move, unfortunately. So we kind of wiped out the last Thursday and Friday move, obviously, right? We are filling the gap right now, and then now it keeps going. Incredible, guys, incredible. Oh my god, it's flushing down. Too bad, man. I wasn't on that trade. This is NKD. Sorry, not NKD. Sorry, this is MNQ. MNQ. I'm trading MNQ right now. I kind of missed the whole move to the downside, by the way. This should have been a beautiful take profit trader pro account trade tonight, guys. It definitely should have been that one.
Order filled.
Order
Oh my
filled.
god. You know, yeah, it should have been a pro account to the downside. And that was what it's supposed to be today. Obviously, did not capitalize on any of that move. Too bad. We took a very difficult trade on these big move, up and down, but yeah, I don't know how far we're gonna deep under in this market, guys. We could see this thing go all the way back down. I don't know. It doesn't look good at all, man. That's a pretty aggressive sell-off. Shaping out, especially during the Globex ASIA, like pulling back 0.5%. It's not a small amount, right? So maybe if we can hold this, I think we could really break it down to 227 area, and that's gonna be a pretty big level.
Order filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Guys, I went a little bit aggressively here. I've got 18 contracts. You guys see that? I'm gonna try and scalp this right now. I'll look for a pullback into the 320 now. Let's see, guys. If we get a bounce here, then I'm out. But
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
I've got 13 contracts now. I'm gonna be looking for that pushback down into the 300, guys. Let's see, man. Let's see if we get a bounce right here, or do we get a pullback? Ugh.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
Okay,
filled.
I'm going down to
Order
9 now.
filled.
I'm down to 9, guys. 9 contracts.
Order
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Mike. Can you guys hear me well?
Order.
By the
Order
way, guys.
filled.
All right, guys, we've hit that 332. Let's see if we get a little breakdown here now.
Order submitted.
I've got 7 contracts now, guys, to the downside. I'm looking for that quick
Order.
scalp here,
Order
pull back
filled.
into the 313 zone. Oh, let's get a nice little flush down. A quick flush down is all I really need. And then
Order
look to
submitted.
reevaluate where this market's going to go from there. But so far,
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
all right, guys, I exited this trade
Order
right
filled.
there.
filled.
I'm back to grid now. So, guys, let's go ahead and do our giveaway. Do not forget to smack the like, guys. Take a few seconds of your time to do that if you guys want to support the stream. And now we are about to do our giveaway. I'm going to do it right now, guys. Oh my god, thank you so much, Sparkling. Thank you so much for your support to the stream. Wow, we got another support. That's a, yeah, that's a membership. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Congrats to the new members. Love from India. Yes, love from India, guys. I love India. Thank you guys for being here today. Definitely having a lot of fun here, guys. And thank you guys once again for smashing the like, guys. Thank you truly for your support. And thank you guys for being here as well tonight during the Globex Asia stream. You guys know I go live every day during the Globex at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. And I go live during New York as well, if you guys don't know. Minimum 2 times a week. Usually about 10:30 to 11 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. So love to see you guys in the morning as well. All right, guys. Once again, thank you so much, Sparkling, for your support to the stream. Thank you for the membership. That's huge, huge, huge. Thank you so much. Right, guys. I'm gonna do our giveaway now, guys. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are part of this giveaway here tonight. Oh, I already closed. Oh my god, I can't believe that, guys. I already closed. I'm just I reopened by mistake. I'm gonna close it now again. My bad. Oh my god, we have 500 entries. Holy mochaccino. That's a lot of entries, guys. All right, I'm gonna close the entries now. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's a lot of entries, man. That's a lot of entries. That's a lot of entries. Yeah, absolutely, I agree. And thank you guys for being here. Cancel. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries now. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna call out the winner now. Pick the winner. And this is gonna be a big one, guys. Good luck, everybody. Yeah. LITGG. No, that's everything is voluntary, man. If you guys want to support the stream, obviously you guys are gonna smash your like. If not, then you know that's fine. You know, just to see you guys be here itself and hang out. Truly appreciative, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner now. Good luck, everybody. The market is, as we speak, kind of stalled in that range, so maybe that's a good thing. While we are doing our giveaway here, guys. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys. The winner goes to we got Johnny Marku. Johnny Marku, guys. I'm gonna give you 3 minutes now to confirm you are here. All right, guys, 3 more minutes. Where's my timer? Oh my god, where's my timer? Sorry, guys, man. I've completely forgotten the timer. No, we'll give 3 minutes. We'll give 3 minutes, guys. And that's what we said here, so. Reset. Where's this freaking 3 minutes, man? Oh my god. Where's my timer, damn it? Oh, 3 minutes right there. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, it's running now. Running now, and Johnny Markey is not here at the moment, guys. We have a chance. Hey, go, baby. We have a chance, guys. Do not give up hope. Mr. Johnny Mark. Again, you have a little less than 3 minutes to confirm that you are here, or else we're gonna have to redraw to give some hope, to give some level of hope, guys. That's what it is, right? Everybody. I wouldn't mind doing it again, but hopefully he's here. Never seen that. Yeah, I've never seen that dude in my life. All right, looks like we may have to do it again, guys. Oh my god. This is getting very exciting, guys. I don't know what happened, but we are getting a pullback here too. The market pulling back, the giveaway kind of like we may have to redo it again. You know what? It's very exciting. And Globex ASIA kind of like tanking here all the way down. NKD is not even tanking, guys. NKD is flushing. Sparkling splashing down. And by the way, once again, thank you for your membership. Sparkling, thank you for your support. For the giveaway as well. Thank you so much for your sponsor. Truly, truly appreciative. And everybody here being here today. We had over 700 concurrent viewers here today, man. I want to thank you guys once again for doing that, for being here every day as always. I cannot be any more grateful and thankful, guys, man. Without you guys, obviously this stream does not exist. And then again, thank you. Mucho gracias, everybody. Thank you so much, guys. And by the way, coming back to the giveaway, guys. Mr. What was his name again, guys? Mr. Johnny Mark is not here. Mr. Johnny Mark is not here, and he's got 37 seconds to go. Literally, I've given him more than 3 minutes, right? Because obviously, I kind of started the timer a little late. And he's not here, everybody. Mr. Timer is not here. 20 more seconds, guys. Holy mochaccino, man. This is unreal. This battle goes on. This kind of feels more exciting than this market kind of chopping here in this range. You'd be answering the first second if he was here. That's true too, yeah. Looks like the timer is done, guys. We're gonna have to redo it again, guys. I'm gonna confirm. Right? It's here. I just want to double check and make sure it's here, and it's he's not here anymore, so I'm gonna have to redo it again. Just want to make sure. I haven't heard him say anything. Did he? You didn't think? Yeah. He's not here, right? Mr. Johnny Mark. I'm gonna cancel his winning. You're an awesome dude, brother. Oh, Sniper, thanks, man. You are awesome too. I'm gonna have to cancel this. Oh, too bad, man. Too bad. I'm gonna resume the entry to give you guys 1 more minute, and I think there's some of you trying to go to the washroom too, so move on. Yeah, I will do that right now, guys. Oh my god, this mochaccino is pulling back here pretty hard. What a nasty pullback here, guys. I think we should be shorting this all day long. Blindly just show. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entries now. I just gave you 1 minute to kind of like give everybody a chance to reload again. Closing now. 3, 2, 1. Mucho. Woo! All right, guys. It's that time of the day to call out the winner again, guys. Oh man, this is definitely very exciting here, guys. All right, guys, that's it. Let's pick the winner, guys. I'm gonna call out the winner, guys. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. Pick the winner, guys. Pick the winner. Mr. Kevin Miles. I haven't heard Kevin Miles either. I'm gonna give Kevin Miles 3 minutes to confirm that he is here in the house, and the timer starts right now. Mr. Kevin Miles, are you here? Oh my god, Kevin Miles is here. Come on, Kevin Miles. I told you, man. You're supposed to let me know like right before the timer ends to make this a little more exciting. Come on. All right, man. Kevin. Okay. All right. Kevin Miles. Kevin Miles is the winner, guys. Congrats once again. You are the winner here today. Thank you. Congrats. You win the Lucid 50K account giveaway tonight. I'm gonna copy paste this into our giveaway tab on our Discord to make sure I do not forget. All right, Mr. Kevin Miles, I'm gonna have to have you DM me once the streaming is over, right? So I can go ahead and take care of your giveaway. For now, let's go back into our trading and look to see if we get another opportunity, guys. I took a scalp trade there, but this market is looking really weak, guys. I don't know what it is, but it's just looking really weak, right? No any kind of a bounce here, guys. We ripped through that key level NKD, and we pierced through that, and we are now down into the 49,600 area. So 1.5% down on NKD, while the ES, let's take a look at the ES, guys, down 0.5%. Kind of gave up 30 points on the ES, and NKD, obviously the NQ pulling back about a little less than 200 points. So incredible, guys, incredible. Up $2,000 for the day. That's a great start. Absolutely, brother Andrew. That's an incredible P&L. Great job, man. Great trades. Love that. Love that. Oh, NK Scalper, your Warbox. Oh, right. Yeah, that's the crypto, right? That's the Bitcoin. How much did it cost you to load in that Warbox account? Yeah. All right, let's take a look and see this market. Trying to get a bounce, guys. Trying to get a bounce back into the 330. I mean, in order to really kind of reverse this, the whole move to the downside, we have to really get above the 370, right? We're not even close. Yeah, it's gonna be tough, man. Yeah, once again, thank you guys for being here today. It's definitely it's truly my honor, obviously, to be able to stream and trade live in front of my fellow traders every day. Did Asia just open? No, it opened like 2 hours ago. All right, guys, we are getting rejection. I don't know, man. This is not looking good, guys. I kind of feel like we're gonna see some big move here tonight. This is not looking good, guys, man. It's flushing down. Holy, man.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, what the heck did I do, guys? Oh my god, I was looking for that quick move. Let's see if I can actually get something out of this right now, guys. This looks like trying to get a bounce, but
Order
filled. Order filled.
oh man, now we're getting a bounce. Incredible, guys. I'm pissed. Let's see, guys. I'm still leaning more to the downside, so I'm gonna try and short this. Let's see, guys. Kind of got a little late, if you will. Let's see, guys. We get a pullback here, or we get a bounce. No, we could get a bounce too. Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god, look at this. We are getting that reversal pattern here on a 30-minute chart, by the way, right now. We've got to be careful.
Order
filled.
Yeah, I don't think I can add anymore, to be honest. Yeah, I may have to exit this trade if we get a bounce back into the 330 now. That kind of sucks, but oh, what a waste on that trade for sure. We'll see, guys. That was a bad move. Yeah, I'm trying to be a little aggressive in my trade right now because I think we are getting that volatility in this market. So I just want to, but the thing is, I just got to make sure my micro scalping is at the right spots. Right now, I'm not doing okay so far right now with the way I'm, the entries are not good. And even though I'm kind of looking for that 5-10 points move to the downside, that's not at a very discounted price as well. So I don't know. I've got to be careful now, guys. Let's see, 318 here. Yeah, 30 minutes chart looking like it wants to get a bounce, right? And that's what it's kind of looking like right now. So see, we could break it down, we could get a bounce. If we want to get a bounce, we better get a bounce right now, guys. It wants to get a bounce. It does look like it wants to get a bounce on a larger time frame. You guys can see, right? This is a beautiful candle, but again, never know what this market's gonna do, guys. Let's see. This thing could look like a bearish candle too, for all you know. This yeah, on the right hand side is a 30 minutes chart I'm looking at, and so yeah, yeah. The market's sitting at 315 now, trying to get a bounce back up again. Yeah, and that flash, I thought we were gonna get a little more extended move to the downside, but you got a quick V shape. I mean, quite honestly, where is which is an area where we actually got a nice, beautiful V shape. We never really got any of that, right, anywhere else. This is the first real attempt to get a nice, beautiful V shape, so I was looking for that little more extended move here down, but obviously we never really got that. So all right, guys, we're sitting at 320, trying to get a bounce back again. Like I said, this candle on the right hand side on a larger time frame looking, we'll see, 50-50 at this point. I'm kind of down a lot now. This is all wonky. Yeah, we could break it down too. Yeah. So until we get a confirmation, I'm still, I'm kind of holding still. Yeah, it's gonna move pretty quickly here, by the way. Once it decides what it's gonna do. Let's see if we get a break here. We get yeah, we could get a bounce too. We could get a nice little pullback too. Let's see what this market is gonna try and do now, guys. We're sitting at 300 area now. If we can't hold this, I think we flush down. Really have to get a nice little bounce right now, but yeah, we kind of held the 310. I may have to think about exiting this trade, but I'm like, you know, we could get a quick flush down. And if that is the case, then I want to hold this trade and see if we can actually get a little move, extended move here down. Anybody long here right now? Anybody long, guys? Yeah, it's a bit of a pressure for sure. Not the greatest place to kind of like try to short this for sure, but if you truly believe that this market is going to have more extended move to the downside, then maybe this could kind of work out. We'll see, guys. Yeah, it keeps holding. It keeps holding every time it's trying to push it down. Yeah, I'm still in this trade. Yeah, it's not a great price action, guys. Gotta be very extremely careful in your trades, especially if you're trading your funded accounts, man. I don't think it's the kind of a price action you want to be using funded accounts to kind of trade. But overall, it's a tough day to trade. Yeah, overall, I think Yeah, this market is just not giving. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough day, but yeah, let's. It's tough day, but we'll try to make good trades. Let's see if we get a little bit of an extended move here, guys. Man, I'm kind of leaning more down, but I don't want to jinx myself either. So, all right, there we go, guys. We're getting it. Oh man, I kind of celebrated a little bit early. Let's see.
Order submitted. Order
Let me just
submitted.
quickly try
Order
to place my limit
submitted.
orders here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I want to be down to like 10
Order
contracts by
submitted.
the time it's said and done.
Order
If I
submitted.
can. Let's see, guys.
Order submitted.
I've got about 15 contracts now placed in that range. Let's see if a little quick flush down could probably take all those TPs out. So come on, man. Let's just do
Order
it.
filled.
There we go, guys.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
whole bunch out. Whole bunch out.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down to
Order.
7
Order filled.
contracts now. So this is moving, guys, to the downside. Yeah, so I was kind of like, you know, a little late, I guess, right? I kind of chased a little earlier, and now it just feels better. So, wow, it's a tough day to trade, guys. Be careful, guys, if you guys are trading this. Oh my god. All right, guys, I'm down to 7 contracts. I'm gonna be looking for that extended move now to the downside. Yes. Oh man, look at. Oh my god, mochaccino, man. Holy mochaccino.
Order filled.
Guys, man, I gotta step in with my pro account, man. What the heck am I doing here? What the heck am I doing here, everybody? Guys, man, this is wild.
Order.
Oh my
Order
god.
filled.
Guys, man, what the heck is going on in this market? Are we trading Globex
Order.
ASIA?
Order filled.
What the heck are we trading right now?
Order.
Order filled.
What are we trading? Are we
Order
trading
filled.
Globex ASIA? What the heck's going on? We're hold on one second. This NQ is down about 0.7%. Down over 250 points, man. Are you kidding me? Seriously? Guys, man, this is unreal. This is unreal, man. Unreal. I don't know. I don't even know what to tell you guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here, guys.
Order filled.
Yeah, I've exited that trade. I mean, it could have been a better trade. I mean, I could have easily made about $700-800 on that trade, but obviously my entry wasn't that great. So, but that's a crazy. Wow, guys, wow. This price action is wild, guys. Be careful, everybody. If you guys have the ability to lock your trades out, I think it's probably a good time to do that. A good time to do that. I would love to lock out my trades if I could, but obviously you can't do that on your Tradeovate, so. I don't know. I'm not. I don't have any open positions, by the way, right now. But I'm trying to be a little patient, though. I'm trying to be a little patient, but we'll see, guys. Yeah, I mean, so far we're a lower high. We're trying to get this little bit of a bottoming process, if you will, kind of play out, but still looking weak, guys. The buying pressure is just not there right now, so or no, there's no buying pressure stepping in, right? Nobody's buying right now. You know, all you have is a little bit of a dead cat bounce. That's all you get right here. So I don't know. This pullback that we had today kind of make you feel like it doesn't make you feel like it's this, right? We're just not seeing this, right? I kind of it does kind of look like It does kind of look like maybe, I don't know. I don't think this is gonna be a big flush down. I don't think that's what it is, but maybe get a little more push down. I don't know. Is it, what does it look like? Yeah, I can't find anything right now, so at least I think we do. I do kind of expect, if with this kind of a pullback that we are getting right now, I probably would expect this market to pull back into the 150s. 150s would be like, you know, yeah, so we are sitting at 300 area. So you know what, to pull back into the 150s, that's going to be like 150 points away from where we are now. So that's going to be like 2% pullback in the NQ. Yeah, that's a pullback 50%, well, not 50%. So that's yeah, that's going to be 1.5% pullback in NQ, right back into this 150 zone. Right, so that's 50. So we're literally retracing back to the I would say, Thanksgiving week, if you will. So I kind of wonder where the Thanksgiving is. Was it here? Where was it again? I can't remember exactly what was the date again. It was last week on the 23rd, right? 23rd. So it was here, guys, 23rd, right here. So we're kind of really far off. Incredible. Anyways, guys, we're kind of far away. So I want to see like 380. Yeah, something's cooking under the surface, man. That's all I can say. I mean, to have right after Thanksgiving, to have Globex Asia kind of sell off pretty hard like this, kind of feels like something is not okay, right? Something doesn't feel yeah, something doesn't feel okay to me. Yeah, I just don't like this price action, right? We are kind of trying to get a bounce though. For now, let's not try to make things any more complicated, but we are trying to get a bounce, right? This 30 minutes candle trying to hold, like we're kind of like trying to create that bullish hammer, right? We'll see if we can actually hold this and try to get back into the 346, right? I think we could get a bounce back into 346. Yeah. Yeah, already taken my payouts on my funded accounts. They've already taken the money out, so how is y'all making out today, guys? Is everybody up, or some of you are down today? Guys, we are trying to pierce through that, and like I said again, we are kind of creating that a bullish hammer here on this current candle that we are in. It's not closed yet. I may try to long this, but I'm just a little nervous about a pullback here down, so I'm gonna be looking for that another push back into the 330s before I can kind of feel a little more bullish here. Thank you guys for being here once again. Do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you so much to all of you. All right, I think we are kind of trying to hold. Also, the volatility kind of slowed down as well. The ATR sitting at 6 now. It was, guess what, guys? It was at over 8.5. So maybe we get another leg here to the downside. Let's try to short this bad boy.
Order
filled.
Right,
Order
guys,
filled.
I'm gonna short this, but I am also gonna exit this trade if we get a bounce
Order
back
submitted.
into, I would say, 336. Right, this is where I'm gonna be exiting my trade if you get a bounce back into that level. Oh, actually, you know what? I lied. I'm gonna put a tighter stop on this 330. Right, 330. I'm gonna have a tighter stop. I kind of feel like, you know, we are breaking down. We're kind of losing that momentum here. No steam here, no juice. Let's see, guys, if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, then I think we get a bounce back. I'm gonna have a really tight stop here, guys. But my stop here at 330. 330 is my hard stop here. I've got 7 micro contracts. I'm looking for that breakdown. If not, then I get stopped at 330. That's literally risking about, I don't know, 150 bucks or something like that. So actually more than that. I'm kind of risking about $200 at this point. If we get a bounce back up again, maybe I put a really tight stop, but it's okay. I would rather lose out with a tight stop. If we can hold this, then I think yeah, this is gonna be a big move to the downside, of course. But if we hold this, then I think we have some more room back into maybe 350 area, and then maybe if we keep getting a nice little bounce, then we could probably get back into the 378 as well. So yeah, guys, I'll exit that trade.
Order
Looks like we're
filled.
trying to hold this, guys. I'll exit that trade. It looks like this market's trying to hold. Yeah. Oh, you do know it made a Moonstar pattern, right? Moonstar, yeah, on this one here, that's a Moonstar right here, guys. Is this the one you're talking about? Yeah, we got a Moonstar here. Is this the one? Well, not really a clean Moonstar, right, on a 30-minute chart. Maybe it may look like that on a 1-hour chart. Yeah, there we go. A 1-hour chart definitely looks much more cleaner. Moonstar, yeah. Oh, sorry, shooting star. It's all the same thing. Mars star, Juice star. It could be a cappuccino star as well. We are trying to hold this, guys. We're trying to hold. So on back to 30-minute chart. At 30-minute chart, yeah. So mean, everybody. What is up? All right, so yeah, are we going to get a bounce? Man, it does look like it wants to get a bounce, right? I don't know. I think you guys are kind of seeing the same thing right now. Yeah. So Take Profit Trader Black Friday deal is still on right now. It's on your first withdrawal, you get 100% refund on your test eval. So 30% off right now. So you're paying 110 bucks on your Take Profit Trader 50K account with no activation fee. If you pass and if you get your first payout using that account, then you are going to get a full refund. We held a 200-day EMA. the Legend account, I don't know if you guys know the Legend trading firm. They've got 150k, $127 right now. And then of course the funding ticks also has the what do you call that offer? I mean, you guys go to my Discord here, and if you go to the Discord, my Discord, and the PROPFIRM discount, you would see my top best deals right now, right? And it's updated this morning. So you got Take Profit Trader. It's a limited time offer. I'm just not sure when they're gonna end that, but you got funding ticks as well, 50% off across all the accounts. And on the 50k account, you have 3 types of accounts on a 50k itself. So you have an option, right? If you're a struggling trader, you've not really gotten to a lot of payouts, then I think the 1k payout cap is enough. So you're essentially paying only $45. If you got payouts using that $1,000 payout cap, then I think probably wise thing to do is use the $3,000 payout cap. So I've got some accounts at $3,000 right now on me, for me, and I've got some on $1,000 payout cap. I don't need the $5,000 payout cap, so I'm not loading any accounts with the 5k payout cap. I've got the 3k and the 1k payout cap, and that's $65 and the $45, right? So that's probably one of the better deals that kind of stands out across all the firms. And you got the listed account as well, that's 40% off on that listed flex. You got Apex 80% off it right now with the $40 lifetime. I think that ends in a day or two. And the 100k account is $10 lifetime. So all in about $69 on a 100k account. That's I think that's a good deal, but I just don't like personally to trade 100k and the 150k on with Apex, so I don't do that. So, and the Legends trading 90% off on the Apprentice account, so that's $127 only on a 150k account. So that's pretty good deal. I kind of like it. I loaded 2. I'm gonna load in a few more tonight. And you got the Funded Futures Network as well, 50% off. You buy 1, you get 1 for free, right? So you essentially pay about it's like $75 if you buy an account, but you also get 1 free account with it. So if you divide 75 divided by 2, do the math, probably within that $35 to $40, right? $37 or whatever, right? And you get 1, you're paying, because you get 1 plus 1, essentially you're only paying about $37 on each of your accounts. So that's where we are right now, guys. Trade Day just rolled out a December offer. They've got a 40% off right now, guys. FYI, I think that's $75 on a 50k account as well. So good luck, everybody. Do you ever trade alpha futures? No, I don't trade alpha futures. Yeah. Legends first payout in 10 days. They've changed that, Farah. I think they've changed that, if I'm not wrong. I just got to get a confirmation, but it's not 10 days anymore. Second payout in 20 days. So yeah, what you're saying is it's payout every 10 days. I think they've changed that. I've got to check that. Don't trade alpha futures. They will delete your profits if you do not close your entry 10 seconds. Really? Yeah, I mean, that's you know what, any 10 seconds. Well, I think well, I'm not sure. Yeah, 10 seconds. I do get it. Well, you know what the thing is though, right? It's not up to you though, right? You're gonna get into trades and you're gonna probably end up trading it for 5 seconds for all you know, right? If this market is truly that volatile, you're gonna end up getting into trades that you're gonna get into 5 seconds, maybe even 10 seconds for that matter. So what is it gonna be? Are they gonna wipe out my profits? That's gonna be a big red flag for me, I think. Right? I'm not gonna kind of like keep thinking about, oh no, I've got to be over 10 seconds in a given trade. Funding ticks 10 seconds applicable. I've done a lot of trades over a little less than 10 seconds, I think, if I'm not wrong. But Or maybe I don't know, man. I've never gotten into trouble. It's weird. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's weird. Or maybe it really depends. Maybe they had to kind of like do a manual. You know, they kind of use that for traders who's taking a lot of payouts, maybe, right? And they kind of use that as a way to penalize or give a reason to kind of deny your payouts, maybe. Is that what it is? That's what happened to you? They deleted your $3,000 profit? Really? Oh my god, man. That's a big problem. Funding ticks pay well, they haven't given a specific timeline, so but they did mention very limited time. I kind of wonder why they did not even mention a timeline though. They should have said when it's ending.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I'm showing this right here. Let's see, guys, if we break it down. Maybe I could be in maybe. Hold on one second. I've got 9 contracts, right? I've got 9 contracts, guys. I'm looking for that pullback here. Let's see if you get it, guys. Maybe on the wrong side. I don't know. I kind of like the fact that we got a breakdown underneath the EMAs, right? So I'm kind of like leaning more to the downside, but again, I could be wrong too.
Order submitted.
I've got 8 contracts here right now, guys. So not full porting at this point. We're getting a little bit of a bounce back, a 310. Don't Apex do that too? I have no idea, man. You know, I never got into trouble by trading for 3 seconds or 5 seconds. You know, you guys know I get into a lot of trades. That's you know, let's just take a look at this account. At least the nice thing about the Project X is it gives you a nice little stats on how your trades are. And all right, so. All right, here we go, guys, man. My trade counts. I guess almost kind of feels like, well, they haven't given you under 10 seconds, right? They've given you 15 seconds. So I've got into like, that's probably the least, right? 35 trades, for example. So I don't really get into a lot of trades under 15 seconds, I guess, right? Bulk of my trades are actually within that 1 minute or 1 to, I would say, 10 minutes. So yeah, I mean, I do kind of say I'm a micro scalper a lot of cases, but I do also get into a lot of trades that's over 10 minutes too, right? 10 to 30 minutes are like over 100 trades. So right, a lot of trades are in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour as well. So it's not that I'm only like, you know, targeting those micro scalping trades. I'm kind of like diversified, if you will. I think that's probably a good word to use. I'm kind of pretty spread it nicely across the board. I guess that's what it is. And I wonder why I kind of forgot to trade 2 days here on my Express account. So I kind of missed 2 days, right? That would have been a nice little days to count. And I could have gotten into my payouts a little bit sooner. But anyways, guys, let's go back into my trading here. Where's that trade again? Oh, man, we all got a little bounce back here in this market. Tons of selling at 25,400. There's not much buying order floor. Yeah. So let's see, guys, we could get a bounce here. The 30 minutes chart kind of looks like it wants to try to get a little bounce back up again. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce back and then do something like this, for example. Right? I wouldn't be surprised if we do this in this market. So far, we're getting. Oh man, what is this?
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Yeah, I'm short right now with 8 contracts, and I'm down quite a lot again. And this market's trying to hold, so are we about to witness a relief bounce in this market? I think so, maybe. We'll see, guys. We gotta break out of this zone though. Yeah, the market's sitting at 313 here. It looks, I don't know, it's kind of choppy in this range, so something's got to break. Let's see if we break to the down or we break it to the upside. Either one of the two. What do you think about the new listed flex account? I think they're just fine. I do know that a lot of fellow traders kind of complaining about, I think, their payout. There's no consistency, but it's up to 50% and up to, I think, $2,000 max payout. But I mean, that's fine to me. Nothing really too concerning, to be honest. I mean, it's not like, you know, nothing really stands out as much, so I'm okay to kind of load in a few accounts with Lucid, few accounts with TopStep. You know, that's exactly what I've done right now, you know. I'm gonna load in Tradify as soon as they come up with the nice little offer. That's a daily payout. I think that's a game changer too, so we're gonna have to kind of wait and see. I think they're rolling out tomorrow, I think, if I'm not wrong. Maybe tomorrow they're rolling out, I'm not really sure. But the daily payout, which I have never really heard Tradify actually do that before, so that could be something a little more exciting.
Order filled.
And I think
Order
Listed
submitted.
Trader is gonna have to come up with something. I don't know, man. I just
Order
kind of feel like they've
submitted.
got to come up with something. Somebody said that Tradify may be a trailing drawdown, which I doubt. But what do you, something will fly 100 points? Yeah, we could see this market kind of really step up and move pretty hard. TopStep needs to roll out daily payouts. I mean, TopStep is TopStep. You know, I don't think they're gonna really truly try to respond to the competition, if you will.
Order submitted.
They're gonna stick to what they do best, right? And you know what? They're gonna be exclusive on their Project X as well, right? So I'm always gonna load in a few accounts with TopStep. You know, I'm not gonna move away from them completely. There's no way. But you know, loading a few accounts with them, but you know, put a lot of focus and attention to something else, right? Like Tech Profit Trader, Apex, Funding Ticks, Funded Next, Lucid, Bulanox, Tradify. These are where my attention is, and then I'll trade TopStep on few accounts. And that's my game plan, moving into next year and probably towards the end of the year too. So you got to, yeah, I mean, I just can't trade the direct to funded accounts, man. I just can't do that. I don't know why. There's too much pressure for me because it's really pricey, right? I cannot pay $400 on direct to funded accounts with 20% consistency. It's kind of hard for me. So I like to kind of stick to the eval and then to the funded stage accounts. A little bit too expensive for me. But man, Mike Champ, man, you got 2 direct as well. Is that 2 direct on Lucid account? All right, so we're getting a little bounce, and I was kind of expecting a little push down, but getting a little bounce off that 297. Yeah, it does look like this market's trying to hold. We'll see, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade here. I think this market is trying to get a bounce on a 30-minute chart, looking like it wants to get a bounce back into the 344, which is right up there. Oh, I'm still down about $200. Yeah, I mean, just can't find a trade setup here, right? Because we've been kind of chopping here for the last about 30 minutes or so. So we've been kind of chopping really hard. Oh my god, we are getting a pullback now. Incredible, guys. Professor, what is up, man? Richard Dowdy, need to look at direct pricing. Direct pricing is pretty expensive, right? I mean, minimum you're paying about $300. Oh, by the way, man, I made a mistake. The legend 150k accounts are not apprentice, it's elite. Got it, man. I made a mistake on that one. Oh yeah, that's what I said. What am I talking about? Yeah, it's weird. Just 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna go to the washroom. I'll be right back, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know what this market's trying to do, guys. It's been chopping. It's been chopping for a while now. Am I on any trades? I'm not. Okay, so that's good. All right. 325. Yeah, oh man, I kind of like it to go long here, to be honest. I'm looking for a bounce back into 345. My stop here will be 305. Yeah, 305.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 8 contracts now. I'm gonna try and long here. Oh man, God, man! Every time I try to go long, it's like pulling back here. Did 45? I have no idea. DJ Nason, thank you, brother. Thank you for using my code. I appreciate it, guys. Once again, big shout out to DJ Nason for using my code. Thank you. Justin Wright, I have no idea what he's talking about. Yeah, we did the giveaway. Yeah, it's done. So we gotta get a little bit of a breakout here at this level now and try to see if we can actually get back into. Well, I don't. I mean, I kind of like it to the upside, but I'm like, you know what? It's not like the balance isn't good enough. right? The bounce isn't good enough. I'm just not very convinced with this kind of a bounce that we are getting right now. So I don't know. All we want to know is socks and this profess guy. Kevin Miles, I'll take a look, brother. I'll take a look at friend request. Let's see, guys, if we get a nice little break to the upside now. My target here would be somewhere in that 345 range. I don't know. I'll probably end up placing my limit orders now.
Order submitted.
And is that way I get a chance to exit my trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god, this pullback, incredible, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade here. Maybe not. I mean, hold it, StockTiger.
Order canceled.
Oh my god. All right, once
Order
again.
canceled.
I'm kind of still liking it to the upside, but I'm just a little concerned about a little pullback down. Guys, you know, not a bad price action, right? And not a bad price action at all. I kind of like what I see so far overall. We got a big flush down from the top at 550. We just literally get back like 200 points, and now we're trying to get a little bounce back up again. But how much of a bounce can we actually get here today? I would like to see this trade, guys, man. I just don't like that. God. Yeah, this is definitely driving me crazy. This price action that we are getting right now, it's like, oh my god, not good so far. Tiger, you said you want a bounce back into 345, but said did 45. It was very... Oh no, I don't know if that was a joke though. I never said 245. I don't think so. But this market's kind of really wonky, right? It's not. I don't know if this market really wants. I think this market wants to just be stalled here. It doesn't want to make any kind of a move. But we kind of held this very important area, and that kind of makes me feel like, you know, we could get a nice little bounce from here now, right? It's yeah, it doesn't make me believe that we are gonna be getting something like this here today. Right? Are we gonna see this? Oh man, I don't know. We could, but in order to have this thing kind of play out, we got to really get back into, I would say, 300, right? We got to break underneath the 300 now, right? We got to get breakout. We got to get a breakdown here underneath the 300 in order to kind of be a lot more bearish. But so far we're kind of holding. So yeah, we have a, yeah, I agree. We have a resistance here. We got an EMA resistance as well, and a nice little major level. 345. You got to pierce through this in order to kind of get back into 380, which is going to be pretty significant because that's about 50 points away from the not 345. So that's going to be like, you know, getting a bounce back. I don't know, man. This is yeah, we're going to be back in green pretty much, right? If we get a bounce back into 380, I think, yeah, all the red that we had today, we are just literally all giving back all of that loss right back to the market again. So we'll be back in green if we get a bounce back into 380. 1 hour seems like a hammer one. Let me just take a look and see. Yeah, it does. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Edgar is absolutely right on that. Yeah, the 1 hour looks like it's trying to get a bounce, and yeah. We are trying to get a nice little break to the upside. I may try to go long on a pullback here, right? I want to try and long on a pullback here. Yeah, we could get a bounce back. You know, we're pretty oversold from a 1 hour standpoint to 1 hour time frame. We're pretty oversold. We're back down to the 40s. So this is definitely getting very interesting. Guys, by the way, if you guys are new here, please do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you guys for doing that. Take a few seconds of your time to do that. Thank you guys. And hit that notification bell, guys, if you guys want to get notified every time I go live. Not just during the Globex Asia every day, but also during New York, guys, in the morning. Usually about 10:30 to 11 o'clock in the morning, Eastern time. This is when I go live in the morning, too. All right, that looks like a hammer. Yeah, bullish hammer candle kind of forming here. We're trying to pierce through this too. Yeah, we got a small little minor resistance here at 345. So you got to get over that, and then I think we see ourselves back into 385 for all you know. But that's a beautiful bounce off that 266, man. That's like how many points, man? That's like 80 points bounce. Incredible. Pretty choppy, even though it looks like this market wants to get a bounce. It's still looking pretty choppy here, right? So you did not make a bullish plan for this crappy BTC and NKD dump. Yeah, let's take a look at the NKD, guys. NKD is trying to get a bounce, but again, NKD looking weak, right? NKD getting a bounce back into the major levels, so we gotta get that, has to pierce through. That's a huge level there, right? Does NKD really has what it takes to get a bounce into those levels again and pierce through that? Right, you got an EMA here at 712. You got a major level of resistance here at 712 as well. So I don't know. Yes, sorry, the NKD. We are pretty oversold from a 30-minute standpoint, but even then, it's I don't know.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I went short here. I don't know if that was a good idea,
submitted.
But we'll take a stab at this, guys.
Order submitted.
I've got 13 contracts here to the downside. It's really choppy, but again,
order filled.
All right, guys,
order filled.
We seem to be pulling back here. Let's see, guys, if we hold this now. If we can't hold this, I think we break it down. Let's see, guys. 325 is where we at right now. I'm looking for a pullback into the 314. And a quick flush down back into the 300 area. We'll see, guys, if we get it. Oh, looks weak, but who knows what this market's going to do, guys. We could get a bounce. We're curling back underneath all the EMAs, so.
Order submitted.
I'm down to 11 contracts. You know, It's not as bad. I thought I had 15 contracts. I probably think it took 5 contracts off the table. That's in profits. So what's the $40 million account was the I'm not sure what you mean. Tyson Prosper. Tim, what is going on, man? All right, thank you guys for being here, all of you. Thank you so much. Gracias, everyone. You all having a great day so far. All right, guys, I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna short-sided trade. I'm looking for that little push down. Let's see if you get it, guys. Oh my god. Enkid is still looking weak. ES unable to hold as well as I thought it will, right? And the Bitcoin looking very... Bitcoin's down 4%. Really? Are you kidding me? I had no idea Bitcoin's down 4%. I thought it was only down like 2%, but Bitcoin apparently is down about 4%, guys. Not good. ES is kind of like breaking. NKD looking pretty weak, just like their Japanese yen. So let's see, guys. Maybe get a little bit of a crack in this market now. Let's see if we can pull back here, back into the 300 area. Yeah, it looked like a hammer, a bullish hammer earlier, and now it's kind of like indecisive doji, right? So let's see if we break underneath the 300. I think this is gonna look a lot more bearish now. See, guys, I think this level is gonna be truly very important. I mean, that doesn't necessarily mean that we're not gonna get a bounce. I mean, we could, but it's just that maybe you know, I mean, the thing is, it looks weak. It looks weak, so I'm taking my chances here. A gold getting a bounce, really? Oh my goody, the gold is getting a bounce. Oh my god, what am I doing here? Trading NQ when the gold is ripping all the way back up 0.7%, guys. It's up 30 points here in gold. Oh my. The gold, I think it's a long way to go to be like all-time high in gold. Am I not right? Well, yeah, I think we have long ways to go to get it up there, I think. Oh my god, yeah, the all-time high is 44, so we're kind of like a little less than 150 points. But the thing is, though, like, you know, I've been drawing this for a while, but we kind of broke out of this bull flag here, right? We really kind of broke out. So what does that mean? I don't know, man. I really want to go long on gold. I may want to do that on my pro account, maybe. I don't know. I kind of feel like I want to get into my pro account trading. I don't know. I just don't feel like I'm capitalizing on this big move here in this market. It's definitely very volatile here, guys. Man, this market's dumping here now. Yeah, I'm definitely not capitalizing, guys. We'll see. Well, let's try to make some good trades here and see what happens. But yeah, I mean, it could have definitely been a better day. A better day in a way. I wish I was able to trade my pro account today and make another $100 just like on Friday. On Friday, I made $70, man, on my pro account, and I took that money out, so that's good. That feels good. I was so grateful, man. When I took that $70 out on my pro account, I was like, wow, it just feels so great. One minute to FAFO. Man, when is the last time I heard that FAFO? FAFO or FAFO? I don't know how to pronounce that, but 1 hour keeps dumping or turn long. Yeah, congrats making 70. Justin Wright is making fun of me right now, man. Guys, you see that? You see that? Oh my god. But I was just so really happy. $70, man. That's incredible. All right, guys. I think we get another flush now, man. I wish I can pull port on my pro account, man. Is anybody trading here with funded account today? Oh, I am so really tempted, so bad, like to try and step in on my pro account, guys. I am so tempted, and especially the gold. I wish I could trade the gold to the long side on my pro account today. It's gonna be a lot of fun if I can do that. But do you normally withdraw to buffer and let it die and reset again from eval? Daily day trades, my goal with my funded accounts are take everything I possibly could, and that's my goal. What happens after that, it depends on how I trade, but I would rather take my money out as much as I can, right, within my abilities, of course, right, and then if I end up blowing that account, I've taken my money out. You know what I mean? That's always been my goal right from the start. And the reason why I did that is because you guys know I'm a human. I lose accounts like that I've got like $5,000 of profit on it, right? Too. You know, let's say I could have taken $3,000 withdrawal yesterday, but I kept the money in that account, and the very next day I lost that account. This happened to me quite a few times last year, and a few more times this year as well. So I decided to not take my chances, and and take everything I possibly could, literally every single time. Yeah. And yeah, of course, it's gonna get harder to hold that account for longer because you've taken as whatever you could possibly could. So your drawdown, obviously, it's very marginal at this point, but even then. But I prefer to take everything out and not keep the money in that account for sure. Yeah, exactly. That's right. Daily day. Oh my god, we've got somebody we've got Monica passed. Oh my god, Andy Warbucks, $724. Wow, man, Andy, what the heck, man? What the heck? Oh my god, we've got Mike trading Ethereum as well. You're sick, man. Look at that trades. Maybe I should be trading that too. We got so many Warbuck traders. Holy mochaccino. What? We got Scalper taking money out. Oh my god. We got Monica passing. I think Monica passed funded account. Wow, Monica passed. Wow, Monica. Whoa. Monica passed all the funding ticks eval account. Congrats, Monica. Monica. All right, man, that's awesome. I am so happy. Monica passed all her funding ticks accounts. She's gonna have 6 accounts tomorrow. You know what? I think it's not gonna be difficult to get payouts on these ones for sure now. I think you've got this, Monica. I think you've got this, brother. You've got this, Monica. That's awesome. Great stuff, man. Great stuff. Congrats once again. Let's take a look and see Warbucks payout. Look at Andy taking the money out from Warbucks. $724 in the hala. Oh, nice. I like that. All right, let's get back to the main chat here. Oh, God. All right, good stuff, man. Good stuff. All right, we're getting a little pullback here down. Warbucks is the weekend. Yeah, I kind of think so. But it's hard. I don't know, man. Is it fun trading Warbucks on the weekend? I kind of feel like, you know, I may end up getting into a lot of stress if I'm down. It's gonna be a really I just kind of feel like, you know, it's you kind of have to refresh yourself to have a strong week, and then you're kind of spending time and energy in Warbucks on the weekend. It doesn't seem easy, to be honest. Oh, by the way, guys, as always, thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys for smashing the like. Thank you for subscribing as well, and thank you for hitting that notification bell too. Love it, guys. All right, so we are back down. This market's pulling back here while the gold is trying to rip here. Is anybody trading gold right now to the long? Tyson Prosper, can you explain the funding ticks? It's not funded ticks, it's funding ticks, by the way. So the funding ticks edge, right? Their competitive edge is that a majority of the other firms have a profit target of $3,000, right? But funding ticks only come with $2,500. So if you get to $2,500, you're gonna pass that account, and then you get to the funded stage, right? The eval stage is 40% consistency, which obviously you can probably get it in 2 or 3 days. But the profit target is only $2,500, right? And then you gotta have 5 winning days of $150 or more to be able to request the payout. And that's their eligibility, right? And obviously it depends on what sort of a cap you have. If you have a $1,000 payout cap that you've bought, then the max payout that you're gonna be able to be eligible is $1,000, and then the split is 9 to 10. Gold long from 4,000. Oh my god, man, you long from 4,000. Oh, that's pretty good. All right, we are pulling back here, guys. Not bad. I was down quite a lot and back into green right from that 327. We had a nice beautiful entry there, right? And the gold pulling back a little bit. Anki trying to hold 300 area here. I'm not sure it really has what it takes to get a bounce of this level, but again, I could be wrong. Let's take a look at the NQ, guys, for a second. Let's see, guys. The NQ is at 313. It's trying to hold the 300 area, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. Add it to my short position. Let's see if we can actually get a little break to the downside here. I'm taking a little risk here on this trade, and of course I'm trying to scalp this back into 300 area now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, 305.
Order filled.
All right, I added to my short position. and it's getting a pull back here to 300. The price action today is definitely very good, guys. Very, very good. The volatility in this market is truly there. Coming into the Globex Asia, we're easily getting that 60 points range up and down easily. So that's a pretty good price action. I kind of like what I see so far. It's just that I think tomorrow is going to be a very difficult morning. It's a wild price action that we got today, and I feel like we're going to have even much bigger wild price action tomorrow morning, which is good, but gotta have to have right contract size, you know, to kind of adjust your size accordingly to the market volatility. Is always a hard thing to do, but I've got to kind of remind myself to be like in that small size tomorrow morning, or else I'm gonna be screwed, right? Like, as soon as you try to get into too many contracts, guess what it's gonna do? You're out. You're out. So yeah, the Lucid Flex, of course, it's there now. It's 40% off. It's there. You guys can load in accounts. The Lucid, I have not traded that account just yet. I bought it. I bought a few. I did show you to you guys, right? I've got Lucid accounts here. These are all mix of Pro accounts and Flex accounts. The one that starts with LF are the Flex ones, and the one that starts with LT are the regular, the traditional Pro accounts, right? And I bought a few. I bought 3 accounts with them on a Flex one, and I kind of well, I haven't traded those. Wow, I'm at $4. Yeah, the Flex ones are good because there's no DLL, right? And honestly, one of the biggest bottleneck as far as Lucid goes for me, I know not everybody was complaining about it, but for me, that DLL was a little bit of a concern to me. I was just not very good at trading with DLLs, so the Flex account that they took off the DLL, so you don't have the DLL anymore, and there's no consistency in the funded account. Well, it kind of feels nice to hear there's no consistency on their funded accounts, but there's only so much you can actually withdraw as well, right? That's kind of hidden, right? And there's no buffer, right? Because I think the max you can withdraw is about $2,000, right? That's the max, from my understanding. Lucid Flex or funding ticks. See, I'll take funding ticks over Lucid Flex, but the problem is funding ticks, you can only take 6 accounts at a time. So, you know, if your goal is not to just stick to 6 accounts, I'm gonna go after Lucid and funding ticks both, and that's exactly what I've done right now. I've got funding ticks here, and I've also got Lucid Trader Flex accounts and the Pro accounts both here at the same time. So I've got both, right? But if they give you unlimited access to your eval accounts, then I could have just literally gone with funding ticks. But at the end of the day, you can only take so much, right? So, and I'm gonna load in some Tradify as well when they come out with their daily payout. I don't think that. Actually, you know what? I lied 1 second. Black Friday on Tradify is 40%. It's 40%, but I don't think their daily payout is on right now, though. I don't think so. Not yet. So maybe probably just kind of wait till their. Is today the last day of? You know what? Let me just take a look. It's the promo ends on December 3rd. So you have 3 more days to kind of lock in that account. Yeah, that's what it is. So their promo ends on 3rd of December. So every firm has different dates to kind of end, right? For example, I think Apex, their promo ends on December 2nd. And funding ticks end anytime because they have put down the banner saying limited time only, and obviously I don't know when that's gonna end. It could be tomorrow, it could be in a few days, you know what I mean? So And then who else? I bought few Top Step with no activation. I paid $92 on their 50K accounts. That's good. Funded Next, I've got to load in some accounts with Funded Next as well. So if you guys are new to Funded Next, you're only paying $111 on a 50K account, and that too with no consistency, right? So I think that's a pretty hot deal on Funded Next. If you are new to Funded Next, because you get 25% off, and you're only paying $111 on that account, on a legacy account. Yeah, fun. Could you stream tomorrow too, Tiger? I will be at work tomorrow, so it's not going to be possible. I may be coming in a little bit early though, to kind of get back into the trading mode. I would really love to, you know, the thing that I don't like to do anymore is trade using my phone too much. I've been kind of like getting back into my trading mode on my phone more so lately, and I kind of feel like that's been not working out very well. So I may have to, yeah, I may trade more often on my in front of my computer, and I will try my level best to go live as well, obviously, every time it's possible. We'll see, and we'll see. No, I don't have a day job. I have my own stuff. Yeah, I've got my own stuff, so, and I've got to go take care of it too. So, but I'll probably come back maybe at about 11:30 tomorrow. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's gonna be tough for me to trade tomorrow though in the morning, and maybe it's a good thing. Probably want to stay away from this market. I think tomorrow's gonna be another wild day tomorrow. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, I know you guys been asking me about my payouts and stuff, but my November payout so far over $35,000 right in November. October was 25, a little less than 25K. November we closed at over 35K, right? That's above target. And my target for December, I think my target for December is gonna be slightly higher because of the fact that I've got quite a few accounts above the buffer, right? So I'm gonna be leaning more. Hold on one second, guys. I think that we're getting a pullback here. I'm leaning more maybe
Order
about
submitted.
to 40K maybe towards the end of the year. For December month, maybe 40K, and that's my target. What's my full year? What's my full year? Probably over 250K. I think that's what it is right now. Over 250K. Yeah, I haven't thought about what my target for 2026 is gonna be, but I kind of feel like, you know, maybe I could get to. I'll try my level best to get to maybe about 400K next year. That's my target for next year. I think it's possible, right? I think it's really possible. I just gotta be a little more careful in the way, you know. Sometimes I like sometimes I get into tilt mode and rack accounts. That really matters. Yeah, if I can just try to be a little more consistent than this year. I mean, this year I've been pretty consistent, but I mean, still, I'll try to be at 400K like next year. Yeah, 400K. So if you want to get to 400K, I probably have to have 40K every month, right? Give or take 40K every month. I think that's definitely very doable. But obviously, I'm gonna have to do a little more spending too, to kind of like to maintain those accounts as well. So yeah, we're gonna have to do some math, and I'll probably come back and let you guys know what my target is and how I plan to get better and better every day, and try to see if I can actually get some good payouts every single month. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun year. 2026 is definitely gonna be for sure. In my opinion, I think it's gonna be a lot better than 2025. 2025 was a pretty good success, but I think 2026 is gonna be a lot better. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Take a few seconds of your time to do that if you can. If not, that's totally fine too, guys, man. How many accounts are you gonna use? I don't know. You know, I may have to probably end up spending. It depends. It depends. You know, I could probably be like 40K without spending much too. Who knows? But I mean,
Order filled.
Order filled.
all right, guys, we're getting a pullback here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Maybe next year, probably say if I end up spending about $6,000 to $7,000 to take about 40K in a single month. I think that's on an average, right? I'll be happy if I can spend only about 3K or maybe 2K, 3 to 2K to take 4K. That will be nice, but I don't think that's gonna be doable though. Call Bob, man. Thanks for being here, brother. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of the night, Kobob. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Thanks for being here, Kobob. Site flow. How many accounts? Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah. Daily Day. What up, man? Did you do anything different between November and October? Increase the prop account or trade more aggressively? New strategy? Nothing's really changed. Nothing's really changed. It's just that I lost less accounts than October, right? October was a little bit of a challenge for me. It was a very tough month. I don't know if you guys recall the month of October, but it was a little bit of a challenge. The market was very, very difficult in October. So I lost more accounts. So I lost more accounts that truly mattered, right? In November, I lost less. And I kind of held on to my existing funded accounts that really, truly mattered. And I kind of took out a lot more payouts using those existing accounts in November. So yeah, it was a difficult. October was very difficult. I'm not saying November was any better, but I mean, still October. I do recall it was a very tough month. It was a very tough month. Yeah, and yeah. How many accounts are you trading now on an average? Site flow, I trade all my accounts, so pretty much, I don't know, give or take on an average a day. Maybe I trade about I may trade about 30 accounts in a single day, and at least 2 or 3 trades on each of those accounts, right? And probably puts me over 100 trades a day, I guess. It depends, but yeah, I would say 100 trades without copy trading. I don't copy trade here. I don't copy trade any of my accounts. You guys know that, right? So and that's where I am. That's where I am at right now. Is that an over trading? I don't think that's over trading, to be honest. You know, that kind of saves me from losing accounts, right? And traders like me, you know, scalping and micro scalping too, right? It's yeah, it's Tyson Prosper. You can use the code if you want to support the stream, of course. You can use the code Tiger, TIGR, and that's just not only for funding ticks. You guys can use that Tiger code for across all the firms. And when you add on 3K, 1K, 5,000, so those are payout caps, right? So they've got 3 different 50K account size where with the different payout caps, right? So if it's a $5,000 payout cap, the max you can withdraw in a single payout request is 5,000, right? And if it's 1,000 payout cap, it's 1,000 is what you can withdraw on a single payout request. And the 3K is $3,000 payout that you can request. And that's what it is. There's really nothing else other than that. You trade all the large size accounts too? No, I don't. I only trade the 50Ks, right? I only trade 50K accounts. I mean, most cases, 90% of the time I trade the 50K accounts. I don't trade anything else. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to stick to one account across the board more consistently, because I tend to get into trouble when I trade smaller size accounts or larger size accounts, because I'm gonna have to adjust my trading style based off account size, and that's a problem. I kind of felt like, you know, I'm making more mistakes by trying to get into a different account size. So lately I have not done that, and I kind of feel like I'm feeling a lot more confident in the way I trade. So I prefer to just stick to one account size and just stick with it, you know what I mean? Just because the 150Ks has a better offer. I mean, I am going to trade time to time, but I mean, it's not going to be like a bulk of it, right? The bulk of it is going to be the 50K accounts, and that's probably 90% of the time. And I think that gives me a lot more confidence and kind of builds the consistency. And it's been kind of working out nicely, right? So I don't have to adjust my trading style, right? So it's been good. And I think that was one of my big adjustments. Like before, I used to buy 25 accounts to get quick payouts, and then either I get the payout and I end up blowing, and then I try to get 150K and try to go very aggressive, because obviously you're gonna have a bigger profit target, and then you're adjusting your trading style every freaking time, you know what I mean? And that really kind of started to hurt pretty bad, right? And the more I kind of stick to one account size, I started to be a lot more consistent, right, in my trading. And that really obviously helped me in my trading. Guys, we're getting a little pullback here. Guys, we're getting a little bear flag here. Wow, man. Guys, we literally pulled back so much here. 286 now. We're retesting the low here pretty soon. We end up keep getting a pullback here. I'm down to 3 contracts now, which is great. We're Monica passed all our accounts, right? Monica passed all our accounts here. I may be pretty close to passing my other 3 accounts that I'm trying to pass as well. So I'm getting pretty close to Monica. I don't know if you're here, but I'll try my level best to pass all of these accounts. What is your favorite prop firm? For now, it's Take Profit Trader and Apex and Funding Ticks. These are my top 3 for now. Take Profit Trader, Apex, and Funding Ticks for now. Things can change pretty quickly, you guys know that. So oh my god, I can't believe we've been trading for over 3.5 hours now. Holy mochino. Sorry guys. I have not traded alpha futures. I have no idea, bro. But I heard there's I don't know. I heard somebody said don't trade alpha futures, but I cannot remember exactly what the reason was. What are the Take Profit Trader payout rule? Their payout rule is pretty simple. You know, it's a daily payout right above the buffer, right? So let's say if you're on a 50K account, and above the buffer means you got to be above $2,000, right? So let's say if on a single trade you make $3,000, then you are able to request the payout, you know, on that specific day, right from day one. So you cannot hedge, of course. You cannot hedge, and that's just not with the Take Profit Trader. It's across all the firms. Hedging is prohibited. Yeah. Yeah, and the split on Take Profit Trader is 80-20. So let's say if you made $1,000 profit, you take home 800, and they take $200. That's the cut. Seems like we've been trading only 20 minutes. I know, man, Professor Guy. We've been sitting here for like over 3 hours now. All right, guys, I think it's that time of the day. Do you make your money in USD or Canadian dollar? Discipline futures trader. We're getting too specific now, guys. You know, we're getting too specific. Yeah, of course. All the Canadian traders make their profits using USD, of course. Yeah, USD is what they make. We don't get in Canadian dollars. We get in USD. And then you're gonna have to kind of like transfer into your Canadian dollar account, right? with most of the firms, at least from what I understand. What do you mean by payout cap, side flow? Oh my god, guys, my take profit trader, the $70 that I requested is approved now, guys. Holy mochaccino, man. But the thing is, I requested $70, but I only get 56 bucks. Incredible. $56 is what I got. Oh my god. And that's a lot of money. Where are you based in Canada? Oh, you're in Canada too? Right. I'm in Alberta. On Take Profit Trader, like listed, has $1,500 payout cap. What's the payout cap on what firm again? No, it's not a withdrawal. It's a payout approval, right? So I made $70 of profit on Friday, and I was requesting the $70. Well, we got a big dumpage of snow for sure, man. Yeah, last week was horrible. Yeah, we definitely had to do a lot of shoveling. Yeah, absolutely. Fellow traders in Canada, it's that time of the year to keep shoveling. And that's exactly what I've done last week, all week. And that was tough. We got a lot of snow a few days ago, last week, I guess, right? All right, guys, man, we're sitting at 300. This market kind of like slowed down now, right? It's not really doing anything, but we are kind of up, so I'm happy with that for sure. Yeah, in Vancouver it barely snows, but it rains a lot, right? But I still love Vancouver. It's probably one of my better places to live. It's just a little pricey, guys. A little pricey, you know what I mean? A little bit expensive. If you want to go long gold, what's gold doing right now? Let's take a look at the gold here for a second. Gold is, oh my god, man, gold is pulling back. Gold was up 30 points. Now it's only up 18 points. The Bitcoin's pulling back, guys. This could be another bear flag, guys, in Bitcoin. I can tell you. Right, I kind of feel like this could be a nice little bear flag here in the Bitcoin. Maybe get another leg to the downside on the Bitcoin, guys. I'll exit my trade with the NQ. It's 2.5 mil for the brand new house in Vancouver. Yeah, it's really expensive. Sounds like you already live there, Inic. Captain Price. Yeah, maybe it's a great thing that I did not get into my gold trade. Yeah, it does look like the Bitcoin wants to get a pullback here, guys. We could get a bigger pullback in Bitcoin if we don't get a bounce right here, guys. If we don't get a bounce, then I think we could see a big pullback here in Bitcoin. We just cracked underneath a very important key level of support, which is $88,000. So we cracked underneath that level. So if we can get a bounce back into the 88, I think this could go all the way back down. We got to get above this. This is a major level. So on the funding ticks, you can only get 60%. Yeah. So what comes first, right? So if you bought an account, right? If you bought an account that's with $5,000 payout cap, and let's say you have $10,000 of profit on your account, then the max is 5,000, right? So even if the 60% is allowed, it's still above the payout cap, right? So you can take $5,000. It's either 60%, but that's got to be below $5,000, for example, right? So I'll give you guys an example. So you have on funding ticks, guys. On funding ticks, you have three options, right? On funding ticks, you have 50K account with the 1K cap, 50K. Oh my God, this is hard to draw here. 3K cap, and you have 50K account with 5K payout cap. It means the max you can withdraw on your payout is this 1K, 3K, and 5K. And that's what it is. You cannot take profits. Yeah, you cannot withdraw the buffer. You can't do that. No. Anything beyond buffer you could, but you cannot take anything below buffer on Take Profit Trader, right? Max per payout or for the life. It's for the life of that account for sure. Charles Zhang, and that's what it is. As long as you have that account with you, that's what it's going to be. That rule will be applied. Sensei, it's $1,000 payout every single withdrawal, right? Every single withdrawal. Can you do something about the Discord notification sounds, brother? Yeah, that's what I usually do, but yeah, I muted this already. Consistency rules start after buffer on funded accounts. Consistency rules starts after buffer. I don't know which firm are you talking about. If you're talking about funding ticks, then you've got that well, there's no consistency on the funding ticks, funded accounts, right? Including Take Profit Trader as well. Take Profit Trader, you have no consistency. Your drawdowns are obviously going to increase in your Take Profit Trader when you get above buffer, of course. Or when you withdraw them, when you withdraw that money that's above buffer, then your drawdown also decreases as much as you take out, right? I think I heard you can withdraw from the buffer, but that will terminate. Yeah, that your account's gonna terminate, and I think they're gonna take 50% of their share. So there's really no point in trying to terminate that account, right? It's pointless. Wow, what a nasty pullback here, guys, man. I should have caught that. We talked about how we could see a bear flag on the Bitcoin, and we are getting that on a Bitcoin. And we're also getting a pullback in NQ, guys. It's just not looking good at all, man. What the heck's going on with this market? I should have shorted this market right at the top there using my pro account, but of course I didn't know we're gonna get this kind of a pullback here today. Oh my god, incredible. Yeah, I don't want to get into politics, healthier health, so we're not going to talk about it, unfortunately. Is the buffer needed for funding ticks? You got to get above the buffer to request the payout, but then it will go below your buffer, you know what I mean? To request the payout, you just got to get above the buffer, but you can request the whole chunk. So let's say buffer is $52,000. But then you can go ahead and request your $1,000. If you have a $1,000 payout cap, you can go ahead and request $1,000, and then your account's gonna go below 51,000, right? That's okay. All right, guys, my fellow traders, I think it's that time of the day for me to unfortunately take off. I thank you, all of you, for being here today. It was a lot of fun. A lot of exciting price action that we got today. Unfortunately, I did not capitalize as well as I should have. But it's not the end of the world, guys. We'll come back tomorrow, right? We'll try to capitalize everything back tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much. Congrats once again for the winner. Thank you, guys, for being here on a Sunday night. We'll see you guys back tomorrow, guys. I will try to go live in the morning, a little bit later, maybe about 12 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. So just make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when I go live tomorrow morning. If not, I'll see you guys back during the Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. Until then, everybody have a great rest of the night. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for hopping in. Make sure to not forget to smash the like, guys, before you hop out. I would really be appreciative, guys. Anyways, we'll see you guys back tomorrow. Have a great rest of the night. God bless you and your family. Peace. Good night, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.